Hey! Welcome to Ranga and Paul Talk Football Podcast. Hey guys, we have had a bumper of an episode, the previous one with at the Winter Surfer, who is a legendary Twitter and also YouTube commentator who usually comes to and joins the other channels. Now we have our own favorite. I mean, the one who has made us reach 1K views in the first as a budding channel, and it's none other than Nikhil Mehra, the Manchester United fan. I mean, I don't want to brand him. He's basically everything. He wants to talk about everything. He knows. Very knowledgeable guy.
वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। ऑडियंस आपका बहुत इंतजार कर रहे थे, मतलब यू वर फैन फेवरेट। सबको लगा था कि मतलब कि हाँ मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड कुछ कर सकती है इस सीजन, बट निखिल वर आल्सो होपफुल। मतलब पॉजिटिविटी आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा लगी थी, मतलब इन कमेंट्स ऑफ द वीडियो कि मतलब यू वर मोर होपफुल अबाउट द यूनाइटेड सीजन। बट अगेन निखिल, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल।
Thanks so much, guys. Great to be here again.
Yeah.
Could have been better circumstances, but not
Exactly.
I'm not too negative even now.
Yeah. We planned this video like 1 month back, so it wasn't a coincidence that Liverpool played United and the result happened. We will discuss about the result. Yeah.
So I mean, Paul. So let's get the biggest elephant out of the room, right? Which is the Liverpool versus the one of the biggest game of the Premier League season every time. I think it's one of the two oldest clubs, and the rivalry. It's been. I mean, I don't have to say the rivalry. It's one of the fiercest game, and they mark their calendars, right? When every Manchester United fan basically marks their calendar, and every Liverpool fan basically marks their calendar as when these two games arrive. But we have. I mean, it's early in the season, but still. So Nikhil, we would like to know. I mean, we'd like to discuss about the review of Manchester United versus Liverpool. Wrong end of the scoreline, but yes. But I'll pass on the mic to you. I mean, you can have your own say on how the game progressed.
Yeah, so that game, when it was bad, it was really, really horrendously bad. Like, the mistakes are so awful, and the structural setup in those when those mistakes occur is so bad that you get you kind of like go into depression as a United fan. Like, what the hell? What are you doing? Like, but overall, there are enough periods in that game that were very decent. Like, I know United fans and other fans will look at me and say, "What is this guy saying?" But
Exactly.
the modernization of United football is quite clear from the start of the season. I think Fulham was a very good start for United. That first half, same problem again. You could have knocked Fulham out in one half, but you didn't score your goal, and you had to eventually get your goal late. I thought this is the best United have ever played against Brighton. Post sort of the last game that Potter managed onwards, right, or the second last game onwards. Against Liverpool, first 20 minutes were fine. They were perfectly fine, and they were dominating the game. They were more aggressive. There was up until the 22nd or 23rd minute. I remember the possession stats were as high as 67% in United's favor. Created an early chance. Well, not a chance, but created early openings. Got behind the Liverpool defense a couple of times. But I'll start with something that's, I think, fundamental right now for Ten Hag. So for a game and a half, that is Fulham, for about 3/4 of the Fulham game, and for the first half of Brighton, right? He has Mount on the pitch, and he doesn't have a striker.
Yeah.
And that's the best United's pressing has looked under Ten Hag. And it's not surprising because Mount, there are so people keep thinking pressing is about your ability to close down your opponent. Yes, it's about that, but it's also about synchronizing your ability to close down the opponent along with your teammates. Because if one goes and the other doesn't go, then the gaps get created.
Exactly.
Right? And the trigger was always Mount in that time. So when Mount ran, then it was very easy because Bruno will also run, and the others will run. And Rashford is still the weakness on the press, and you can't help that. Rashford just is a weakness on the press. He doesn't want to be as exertive in the press. But more importantly, Mount has that quality. See, a lot of players can press. A lot of players can get close to another opponent, but then they don't know what to do. How do you actually get the ball off someone? All right, at most you may make them turn around and pass backwards and recirculate. But how do you actually gain possession back? That's a skill which is much rarer for most players. And in United's case, in the forward line, I don't think anyone other than, in fact, Bruno to a degree and Mount to a larger degree possess that. Right? Unlike Liverpool, where you remember Mane was a god at this. Firmino was an absolute god at nicking possession, right? Salah less so. Salah was never asked to press in that same way. Salah was always supposed to be the recipient of the press
Exactly.
in a real sense, right? So he sets up this structure. It's very solid. It looks very tight. That first goal that you give away against Brighton, even that's a personal error by both Casemiro and Maguire. Casemiro because he can't run with the, he simply doesn't run with the runner, and the ball comes in. Maguire could have cleared it. He didn't clear it. Whatever. It's an error, but that's not a structural flaw. Is all I'm trying to drive at, right? Like that's individual error. Individual errors can happen. When you come to Liverpool, right now he's lost Mount. This is the only reason why I was mentioning that. So he's lost Mount. So I was immediately worried that there's going to be a problem in terms of the press. There's going to be a problem in terms of ball retention and circulation. And what happens when Mount is on the pitch? The general feeling is you don't create as many chances, but you're rock solid, right? So the best statistic for United this season is the XG and the chances against are half.
Yeah.
They are halved compared to last season. So that's a huge amount of progress on the defensive side. And it's an odd thing to say when you've just lost a game 3-0, right? But be that as it may, so you lose Mount. The smart thing probably would have been, even though it would have seemed risky, is to literally take Collier and put him into Mount's position. Because Collier's biggest skill is exactly Mount's skill. He covers ground like a demon. He's really fast. He's very good defensively. Very intelligent footballer. Good technically overall. And that way you keep that box midfield. And you have to keep that box midfield because whatever else United may have done in the transfer window, they didn't go and get another 6. You may have got Ugarte. Now, I am slightly worried about Ugarte. I don't know how Ugarte fits in all of this. Maybe he will, maybe he won't. I don't know. Perhaps it'll all work out very well. But the point is a simple one that when the Liverpool game comes around, you don't have a 6. It's still Casemiro. And so if it's still Casemiro, how do you expect those problems to go away? They're going to be the same problems as last season, right? He's a big gap in that midfield. So that's what happened. I mean, he makes very early, and the second big error, huge error, dropping Ahmad. Ahmad retains the ball better than any one of your wingers. Now you basically had 2 wingers who are runners, both Rashford as well as Garnacho, right? They are waiting for the ball over the top. Now Liverpool ended the match despite a 3-0 win with lesser possession than United. They actually gave the possession.
Yeah.
Right? And what were they doing? They were doing it's that. So people keep saying Slot is so amazing. He's got everything. So it's basically Klopp's team, right? It's Klopp's habits. The midfield 3 actually sit very deep in their own half in the build-up phase. All 3 of them. Szoboszlai, McAllister, and Gravenberch. All 3 sit very deep. And when the ball gets out, they run for their lives. Like they run upfield like there's no tomorrow. Szoboszlai in particular, crazy, man. The guy's running ability is crazy. Right? So he does so much of that work. United don't do that. United sit much further apart. Well, structurally, that was the problem. So otherwise, in that half against Brighton or in the FA Cup final, you were structurally more compact. So Ten Hag, it's I don't know.
We are definitely not. So we are definitely not in Ten Hag out camp currently.
No. See, this is too early. Here's the thing. I'm not concerned with Ten Hag. Ten Hag can stay. Ten Hag can go. That's entirely for Ineos to figure out. You will come up with I don't look at managers as being defining an epochal in that sense. I think structures get built by a larger structure behind the scenes nowadays. So you've got a huge. You can't change an entire coaching team, an entire medical team, an entire recruitment team, and decide to retain the manager and get rid of him in 3 games. Like that just doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah.
You can't even get rid of him in 10 games.
I'm just laughing. Chelsea did it. That's all.
No. So that's madness, right? Like that's crazy. Bowley is you don't want to be taught Bowley. So all I'm saying is that when I look at Ten Hag, and this will be surprising, I think, to a lot of fans, I think he's going to get a lot longer rope this season than people imagine. So, very credible publications like The Guardian, just before the FA Cup final, if you guys will remember, had said he's fired regardless of the outcome in the FA Cup match, right? In the FA Cup final. And that didn't come to pass. This time they've come out with an article that says the bosses are very upset, and if the gameplay doesn't improve, then he's out. But I can show you in the way Arno Slot was describing even United, right?
Yeah.
That United's gameplay has changed entirely this season. That game model has changed entirely this season. And the exact same things that he was saying they did to us, we did to them, because we did get through them a few times. There should have been at least 1 or 2 goals from United side as well. You had clean chances for Xerxes twice. You had one shot that goes through the crowd from Mazraoui in the first half. You had a couple of times that Rashford had got around them, and otherwise you were able to at least get into their half and control the ball. Right? And that happens how exactly the same thing. Everybody is pressing with a 4-2-4 structure this season. Virtually everybody.
But I don't think you are 4-2-4. You are 3-1-6.
No.
No, I think you are 3-1-6. If
No,
you
it's,
see,
it's
no,
a
just a point. If you see the
no.
gameplay,
The press is different from the build-up. You're right on the build-up. The build-up is a 3-1-6. That I completely agree that it's a huge problem. But the press is a 4-2-4. Right? The press is out of possession. The in-possession build-up is a 3-1-6, and that's a huge problem. And it
Exactly.
doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to be, right? It wasn't in the FA Cup final. It wasn't in the first half against Brighton. It wasn't in so many other games. And he looks perfectly fine. He's, by the way, I think what he's going out to do is that he wants to create such an attacking team, right? Such an attacking game model that it's handbrakes off all the time. It's very difficult to play, and especially with a 32-year-old in the middle of the park. Like, there is one school of thought which says play as you intend to play, regardless of who the players are. And if the players fail and you lose game, then the players are the ones to blame and they go out. Right? This is what Klopp had done in his first 2 seasons or 1.5 seasons or whatever. And so, to that extent, he has found, as we already knew, our man Casemiro does not fit. He needs to be out, but you didn't replace him, so you can't really blame Ten Hag for it. You could turn around and say, no, Ten Hag should be more careful about this and build a deeper block and play with a deeper block. You could say all those things. But, that's neither here nor there in the end. Right? So, plus again, you don't have a left back all season, right? You're playing a left back who's actually a right back. Played reasonably well. Dalot, I think, has been decent. Dalot inverts also fairly well. He's a good player, right? But you don't have a left back. And I promise you, Rashford's football will change the day your left back is a proper left back. Particularly if Shaw can put a run of 15-20 games together. Right? Shaw is very odd. He gets injured, he comes back. The moment he comes back in the first 5 minutes, it looks like the guy is just a gamer, an absolute baller.
but the point is, you shouldn't be relying.
I think
you shouldn't be relying on Shaw. Like, we don't rely on Reece James right now.
I completely agree with you. Right? So you go into this season with with your main left back who has played 50% of his games in the last 4 seasons. So that's not enough. And walks into the season injured. You know this. You've known this through the summer. And the other one who's been injured for 18 freaking months. मतलब मौत ही होगी उसकी तो यार. So समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. And how does a player come back from 18 months out, 20 months out, right? How do you hit the ground running when in any event his ceiling wasn't particularly high? It's not that Malacia is the kind of left back, and I'm talking about to dovetail with Rashford and create that sort of better effect on the wing. So that's a flaw but that's not a flaw. Like, I mean, they had so much to do. I still look at the transfer window. I think it's an incredible success. Mostly for the amount of players you threw out of the club. Not so much for the incoming, but what you got rid of. You need to get rid of a lot of draws. The only outgoing I'm very upset by is McTominay, and you felt and that second half, when you wanted to get rid of Casemiro, McTominay would have been a much better option there than poor Toby Collier. But that's how it is. That's how you build squads, and so you have to suffer with it for a while. But last time we got that there is a sufferance season. This season is going to be sufferance, but it's generally more. But you will modernize your football a lot more. You will generally be better.
So मतलब आपने बहुत सारे points बोले थे.
Exactly.
I mean, I'd like to first of all tackle the structurally. You're not structurally. There is not a problem. Okay, you have just conceded goals from 3 chances, individual mistakes. And that too from a midfield, not from a goalkeeper. Okay.
No,
goalkeeper अगर गलती करेगा.
No, I'm sorry. What I said to you from the start was, there is a structural problem in the way he set this game up. This game couldn't have been set up structurally. Like Casemiro can't play this structure. I don't even know if Ugarte can play this structure. Yeah. But you're going to keep 1-6 in so
we agree that, I mean, he hasn't still figured this structure out even after being for 3 seasons.
The problem with him is he's obstinate as hell. He's figured it out. He's played 3 different styles at United, boss. First season, he played a slightly different style, but he had a Casemiro.
I mean, first season तो बस यही था XG
I think-
मतलब एक्सपेक्टेड गोल्स तो 100 थे दूसरी टीम का, बस बच गए थे कि you were not people were not able to score against you.
इतना नहीं था,
I mean
इतना
people
it
were
wasn't
creating
as bad as
chances
that,
like
but what he
out
did
of
have-
nothing basically.
What he did have is he had the legs of Fred in midfield. Fred is very underrated for the amount kind of legs that he used to
Yeah,
give.
but you used to win 1-0, 2-0 मतलब ऐसा नहीं
Yeah,
you
but not
demolished teams.
We didn't have a dearth of chances either. Plus, he
Yeah.
was getting a lot of goals from Rashford. He's not getting those goals for the last 14 months, right?
Yeah.
Like, he's not. But ठीक है, at least he had a structure where you could move the ball around. You scored some really nice built-up goals, right? You know, like the full build-up and the full and leading to a goal from the back to the front.
Yeah. I mean,
Now-
so एक तो आपने बोल दिया कि
he's got a
Ten Hag is
problem
not to blame,
so big.
right? I mean, Ten Hag
He's
is
got a
not.
problem so big right now that he can't play this with Casemiro. This is why I
Yeah,
was pointing.
we also understand this, right?
That compact style, you're all right. Now you can't play this.
ये ऑब्वियस नहीं था क्या स्टार्टिंग में ये ब्रूनो माउंट और कैसेमीरो का मतलब ये कोई कोहेसिव मिडफील्ड 1% भी नहीं है बिकॉज नो वन इज क्लोज टू द बॉल एनीवे और एक्सेप्ट माइनो और मतलब जो माइनो और जो कैसेमीरो का जो रिलेशनशिप है वो भी क्लोज नहीं है.
Those four together with the two pressing nines, which is Menu and Bruno, actually make a box.
No,
That is
Bruno is good in pressing, but he's not good in tracking back. That's a completely
You're talking
different
about
thing.
structure right now. Tracking
मतलब
back. is not-
ट्रांजिशन में ही तो आपका प्रॉब्लम हमेशा हो गया होता है
I'm
ना.
talking
When you
about-
sit back, right, you're also okay.
When you say structure, you're talking about starting positions of these players and how they. Tracking back is a facet of an individual player.
So Nikhil, I'll tell you about the structure. So जितना मैंने अभी तक 3 मैचेस देखे हैं, what I found out in the structure is in the build-up phase. I understand you on the pressing part कि माउंट नहीं है तो प्रेसिंग नहीं होती और मैंने माउंट को 3 साल देखा है चेल्सी में तो आई नो
हाँ, because भाई हार्ड है, यंग लेग्स है ब्रो. वो प्रेस भी नहीं करेगा तो क्या करेगा.
एंड सेकंड थिंग यू सेड कि प्लेयर्स की क्वालिटीज के बारे में बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं कि व्हाट आई डिफर ऑन यू कि ब्रूनो वगैरह, बट जो स्ट्रक्चर है कि बिल्डअप इज 3-1-6 और एवरी मैनेजर इफ यू सी every manager see in the Premier League जो big manager है small manager है वो हमेशा 5 in the defense रखते हैं किसी भी स्ट्रक्चर में. जैसे गार्डियोला 3-2-5 खेलता है तो 3 पीछे 2 बीच में और 5 आगे. और आर्टेटा तो पूरा 4 और 1 खेलता है फिर बाकी दोनों को वो रोम अराउंड करने की राइस को वो रोम अराउंड करने का फ्रीडम देता है. और चेल्सी में भी है मरेस्का जो है 3-2-5 खेल रहा है. बट जो 3-1-6 है उसमें जो आपका सीडीएम है आई थिंक आप प्राइम बुस्केट्स को भी उस मिडफील्ड में अगर उस सीडीएम में रख दोगे कैसेमीरो की जगह यू वुड ओनली इंप्रूव बाय 20-30% इन माय
It's madness. It's crazy.
या
It's
सो
totally crazy.
3-1 से तो स्ट्रक्चर जो आप पॉजिटिव साइड में बता रहे थे टेन हाग का कि टेन हाग खेल ही नहीं सकता कैसेमीरो के साथ. आई थिंक वो किसी भी प्लेयर के साथ वो स्ट्रक्चर नहीं खेल सकता अनटिल एंड अनलेस यू हैव समवन विद हिम. या तो यू हैव टू इन्वर्ट योर फुल बैक जो आप लिसांड्रो मार्टिनेज से आपने फर्स्ट मैच में करवाने का ट्राई किया था प्रॉब्ली इन द कम्युनिटी शील्ड पार्ट. बट ही 1-on-1 डिफेंडिंग में वो जो वाइड एरियाज थे वहां पे भी वो एक्सपोज हो रहा था प्लस सीडीएम में जब वो आ रहा था पोजीशन में वहां पे भी वो एक्सपोज हो रहा था. एंड करंटली हिज पासिंग हैज नॉट बीन दैट गुड.
Okay, so I'll tell you how it can work. And
नहीं मैं एक सेकंड निखिल जस्ट एक सेकंड में बोल रहा हूँ कि जो बिल्डअप फेज में बता रहा हूँ कि जस्ट डिस्कस द बिल्डअप फेज नाउ 3-1-6 का जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसमें जो 1 है आपका उसको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं है. इधर ही हैज टू बी अ कोवाचिच टाइप ऑफ प्लेयर कि वो 3-4 बंदों से निकल के चला जाए वरना की जो आपका जो भी सीडीएम होता है उसको ट्रिगर पॉइंट है किसी भी बंदे का फॉर अ प्रेस. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि कैसेमीरो वाज अ ट्रिगर पॉइंट फॉर प्रेस. माइनो वाज अ ट्रिगर पॉइंट. जो सेकंड हाफ में जब माइनो वाज प्लेइंग इन द कैसेमीरोस पोजीशन आप थर्ड गोल देखोगे जो उसमें कॉलियर था वो पता नहीं कहां था. अब ब्रूनो तो बहुत ही ज्यादा आ गया था. ब्रूनो तो स्ट्राइकर के साथ था तो उस बंदे के पास कोई भी प्रोटेक्शन कोई भी खेलने का है ही नहीं. तो इट्स एक्चुअली अ टेन हाग्स मिस्टेक टू एक्सपोज द सीडीएम इन दैट केस.
This is why I was pointing out when Mount is on the pitch. It's not about Mount's pressing. He creates the box, right? So उस time
I'm just saying it's कैसेमीरो पे point out करना is wrong.
No. Casemiro has his own problems.
No.
Wrong.
आप अगर फर्स्ट गोल भी
I'm
देखोगे
sorry. Casemiro's individual skill level is in the basement.
No. I am just saying कि अगर आप फर्स्ट गोल भी देखोगे कैसेमीरो का जो डायरेक्ट पास कर रहा था वो कैसेमीरो डायरेक्ट पास उसको
आई
कर रहा
थिंक
था.
ये तो मान सकते हो कि फुलहैम गेम में सबसे अच्छा प्लेयर कैसेमीरो ही था.
नहीं, that maybe to his front line.
नहीं, फुलहैम गेम में he created more opportunities than what Bruno did. Bruno ने actually
that is not a CDM, right?
हाँ या हाँ वही तो उसका रोल वो है ही नहीं.
Defensive position again, he let runners go multiple occasions even against Fulham.
Even if you
completely agree वो चीज मैं completely agree करता हूँ कि वो या तो पहले ही गिर जाता है क्योंकि वो ट्रैक नहीं करता है.
You are right about the fact that nobody should be playing as a CDM in a 3-1-6, right? But what I was pointing out is when Mount is on the pitch, it's actually a box. Menu is close to him. Mount also comes deeper. Mount and Bruno go like this. So Bruno is further ahead, but it's Mount who comes and takes the press if you're out of possession. In possession, Mount is deeper, and then they're able to circulate and get out. The getting out is slower, but it's very effective. They were able to play out of Brighton's press a lot of times. Fulham's press a lot of times. It wasn't as problematic.
But the same thing I'm telling you, कि he
But
can't
if-
press it with those players. कि Bruno can't press, and secondly, Rashford can't press
Again,
in your front
let's
line.
not confuse two
And
separate things.
Zagzi can't press. If
We're
Zagzi
talking
also
build
plays.
up. Let's not talk about press.
No,
then.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि just pressing में आपका बोल रहा था कि मैं pressing में जो
Exactly.
player
We're
qualities
talking-
है,
we're
that
talking
doesn't
build up
match
right
the
now,
structure.
right? I'm only trying to point out the 3-1-6 doesn't exist when Mount is on the pitch. Right? It's when Mount is off the pitch that this mistake happens. And the mistake happens, it can't even be a mistake. You're absolutely right. This is by design, and I don't understand what the design is beyond the point, right? Now, here's how it can work, and I don't know why this is not happening. If you want to play the 3-1-6 in your build-up, then you have to actually use Onana as a proper outfielder, because that's what you bought him for. And that means Onana steps out with the ball like in the Champions League final he was. Like Onana was stepping out 5 yards, 10 yards out of his box in the Champions League final. Right? So then you use him like this, in which case your defensive line moves up and you can play the 3-1-6 when again effectively everything becomes compact, not because your midfielders have come back, but because your defensive line has gone up. Then you can play that 3-1-6 because now
But
everything is much tighter.
But my point is, your players, जो front line के players हैं, they doesn't have the technical qualities to play as a 3-1-6.
Because you have to build, either you have to build your team
और
around.
हमेशा और कोई भी और
only
सेकंड पॉइंट है
है-
जो कोई भी टीम है सेकंड
Okay, so-
एक लाइन का पॉइंट कि कोई भी टीम है वो हमेशा 5 और 5 में बिल्डअप करती है, 5 डिफेंस और 5 बिल्डअप, कोई भी टीम हो, चाहे जो फ्रंट लाइन के गाइज हैं वो तुम्हारे फुल बैक से आ रहे हैं जैसे ट्रेंट आता था उसमें, लेकिन उसमें जो थ्री मिडफील्डर्स है वो प्रॉपर डिफेंसिव का पार्ट थे, पर जो फुल बैक्स थे वो पूरा आउटगोइंग जा रहे थे। कोई भी टीम, गार्डियोला की टीम है करंटली 3-5 कर रही है, तो 5 डिफेंस में 5 अटैक में, ये 4-6 तो कभी चल ही नहीं सकता है किसी भी टीम के अगेंस्ट की यार, मतलब 4
You know
डिफेंस
who
में और
else
6
does
फ्रंट
it?
में।
You know who else does it? Thiago Motta does it. People rave about Motta. It can work if you've got that.
But Premier League is different and yeah, your point. Yeah,
Maybe,
you
but I'm
go ahead.
getting at is जो आप technicality की बात कर रहे हो ना, that flaw is only on the wings when both Garnacho and Rashford play because they're not ball retainers. If you'd kept Ahmad, you would have had a very different half. I promise you that, because he's your out ball guy. You would have given he can get the ball. In fact, even Anthony, for as abysmal as he can be on various other elements of his game,
He can
ball
retain the
retention
ball.
is a skill that he
He can retain the
genuinely
ball.
possesses, right? Especially ball carriage as well. So this is where Ten Hag did my head in when I saw the 11. I was like, okay, firstly, you went with Xerxes, right? So you went with a striker. Now you haven't played with a striker all season in these first 2 games, 2.5 games. Perhaps not even during the warm-up games because your strikers weren't fit. And one moment, Højlund got injured, right? And Højlund is a very mobile player, extremely mobile player. So it's a very different kind of striker. From that, you've decided to go with 2 wingers who are going to be just runners. Okay, if you do that, then my impression is your middle is going to be compact and deep, right? And then you're launching balls over the top and you've got the 2 runners from the side and Bruno through the center, and that's how you move up. Then I get it. Then I understand. But then when the match starts, it's for some reason the back line is going only say about 5 yards beyond the D, beyond the penalty area. You have Casemiro, Menu, a little bit of interaction with each other. Right now, sort of early on, Liverpool are holding back on the press and not necessarily going as hard on the press.
That's what कि जो प्रेस का आप बोल रहे हो, I think कि जो लिवरपूल का पॉइंट था, before Dinesh can go ahead in that point, किया ना, लिवरपूल गंग हो प्रेस कर ही नहीं रही थी।
वो अलग है, वो क्लॉप है, वो
क्लॉप वाला प्रेस करी। What they were doing, they were sitting in the mid block, letting you have the ball, and they were waiting कि you made a mistake and then we will gung ho on the press and then we will counter में, और
that
counter
too only the midfielders.
या
they
काउंटर भी
converge.
आगे वाली पोजीशंस में, काउंटर भी ऐसा नहीं
Klopp का तो बहुत ही मतलब it was a different
No, I'm
play
saying
style.
कि मतलब they were just waiting for you कि to make a mistake and they will just pounce on it like a cat and उसके बाद, और they did that. Szoboszlai missed a chance, very easy chance last में. तो वो similarly somebody lost the
That's
ball.
later on. So I'm talking about early in the
Yeah,
game. So
yes.
this starts, right? And I'm watching this unfold, and I'm like, okay, so now you've got two.
Liverpool
white
not
players.
amazing. That's what I'm saying. Liverpool not amazing in that match.
Yeah, they're going to get opened up quite a bit, boss. They're going to get opened up quite a bit. They're going to have trouble as well this season. I mean, it's right now it's all hunky dory for them, but you can also see the gaps in their squad and in their play style,
Yeah.
right?
Dinesh,
The
we
same-
should have invited Rohan, I guess.
you get these
At this point, I mean, Liverpool looks solid, but I mean, they have legs to exceed. I mean, look at the teams they have played, right? They haven't played any challenging games at all.
Yeah.
Brentford at home and Ipswich away. I mean, it's basically nothing.
and
nothing.
they
yeah.
have and
And
they have
United didn't make the match challenging.
yeah,
for them.
Yeah.
we didn't make it out. That's exactly right.
I
right?
mean, I mean, आपके जो मैं positives है वो तो 100% मैं समझ रहा हूँ. But आपने एक और चीज क्या बोला था? आपने बोलते टाइम शायद आपने नोटिस नहीं किया होगा कि आपने बोला था टेनाग रहा है या ना रहा है. उसके बाद आपने बोला मेरे को परवाह ही नहीं है. टेनाग की गलती क्या है इसमें? ऐसे बोल के फिर आपने बोला कि अमा डियालो को उसने खिलाया नहीं. I mean, वो उसने
There are lots of negative
and
about
also
Ten Hag.
first match में अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो he when there was 0-0 he substituted he brought in Delit instead of an attacking. मतलब ये मतलब शॉक था सबके लिए. तुम जीत गए गलती से वो पैर में भिड़ गया. That was a very good result. But that particular substitution, did it make sense? I mean, why are you bringing Harry Maguire? You are playing Harry Maguire for 80 minutes and then you are substituting another central defender.
I think he's just managing minutes, and he was aiming
Managing
for,
minutes for whom?
for delay.
For
To
yeah,
start-
anyway, we know
start
that
him-
he's going to
start
start
him
anyway, right? That is
To
what I'm
start him
saying.
against Liverpool. You wanted him to have minutes on his legs to start him against Liverpool.
यार लास्ट के 10 मिनट थोड़ी
but
मिनट्स आ जाते
from
हैं यार.
what-
Just
वो
नहीं
नहीं
होता ना यार.
No,
If
but-
you come in nowadays, if you come in the 78th, 80th minute, you're going to play 20 minutes.
No. Dinesh
70, 80
का
minutes.
point ये है निखिल.
But
कि
you
मतलब
wanted to
what
go
is-
for the 3 points, right? उस time.
Exactly कि मतलब
तुम
वो
लोग
0
3 points के लिए. अगर मैं 100% बता रहा हूँ, वो tactically सब.
0-0.
Maguire is also
He
very
was okay to
injury
settle
prone.
at 0-0.
Maguire he's managing Maguire's minutes as well. He's seen his defensive side go to shit. He's already lost one defender before the season has started. 2 defenders, by the way. Actually, central defenders. Forget about the left back situation. He's already lost Euro for a few months, and he's lost Lindelof. He does not have central defensive cover, so he keeps rotating them as much as he can. He does not want to be playing Johnny Evans more than 4-5 games this season.
But if you remember what Ten Hag said just before the season started, पिछले सीजन उसने यही कमेंट बोला था कि we already won a cup without even playing any of the central defenders. कि उसको ये था, but now you have dedicated central defenders. Now we have a real उसी ने बोला था, उसी का कमेंट था. We have dedicated central defenders. Now it's going to be a completely different ball game, right? That is what he said. So but apart from this aside, I mean. जो आपने बोला, आई मीन यू हैव टू बैक समवन. कैसेमिरो ने गलती किया इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ही मेड अ मिस्टेक ऑन द गोल लाइन.
Worse than that. It's okay. You misplace a pass.
Yeah, that's
Why does your
the thing.
structure
And
fall
then
apart
where are
to
the
the
rest of the
extent?
guys? Where are the rest of the guys?
Where-
It's
where
not
is
new
the
story,
defense?
right?
No, पर निखिल आप
second
नोटिस
goal
करोगे
this
कि
season
लिसांड्रो मार्टिनेज
where-
lost the ball 3-4
Second
times
goal
in the
this
match.
season where the back post is completely empty where the striker comes in to head the ball. The second goal this season.
मतलब
Right?
I mean
Why does that happen? Because you put Mazraoui in outer space. That's your build-up. He's so far away from the ball when the ball is lost, he cannot come back and cover.
Exactly.
It's not possible.
Perfect.
I mean,
Right,
I would say Diego Dallo, I think उसको भी उसको trust नहीं हुआ. मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया Diego Dallo को. मतलब I don't get this. कि why not share this responsibility with Diego Dallo? He has been one of the best players for you at least. I mean, Diego Dallo को आप मतलब you can't trust him, right? On a left back position, why are you playing him in a left back position?
Where
That's
does
what
he
I'm
play
saying.
him? Mazraoui prefers that position.
I
on
mean,
right
prefers क्या होता है? वो बायन में लेफ्टी खेला था यार. बायन में राइट नहीं खेल रहा था वो. लेफ्टी खेल रहा था बायन में.
There must be something in training he's seen. He says that he probably prefers Dallo on the left because Dallo has seen this league. I don't think he wanted to put Mazraoui straight up against Salah.
When you're banking on, so you're building a team, okay? You're banking on Luke Shaw coming back. You're banking on Mason Mount playing all the games. And उसके ऊपर हम लोग start. ये दोनों के मतलब ये चलो लूक शॉ तो पता ही नहीं है. मतलब जैसे आपने बोला था ना लूक शॉ आएगा तो ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर. मतलब यू कांट मतलब वो एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं है. मतलब वो सीजन के मतलब ये नहीं सोच सकते कि उसके अराउंड टीम हम लोग बिल्ड करें. मतलब वो प्लान में होगा ही नहीं किसी भी बंदे का.
Yeah, you shouldn't consider him as a
कंसीडर
part
लूक
of the
शॉ एज
team.
अ इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द टीम. जो बंदा इंग्लैंड के लिए फिट हो सकता है वो बंदा एक भी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का मिनट भी नहीं खेला है. मतलब मे बी इट्स जेन्युइन, मे बी इट्स नॉट जेन्युइन. आई डोंट गिव अ रैट्स एस.
Even England.
बट इंग्लैंड में वो हर मिनट लास्ट के मैचेस में खेला है. एंड देन ही इज सडनली नॉट फिट फॉर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड.
I don't think he was fully fit even for England.
And I think
don't
Nikhil,
he
we
was
are
fully
all.
fit even for England.
I think Nikhil, we
played
are also listening that कि again वो injured हो गया है Luke Shaw. Again he got injured few days back. in the training or something.
Probably hoga.
Yeah. So
Listen, I'm
So
sorry.
that's what
again, the same chance with Mason Mount भी बोल रहा हूँ
but
पाल.
all of this is
Mason Mount
immaterial.
के अराउंड तुम टीम बिल्ड क्यों नहीं कर
All
सकते हो?
of this
क्योंकि
is
वो बंदा फिट
immaterial.
रहेगा ही नहीं.
निखिल हमारा point बस
All
ये
of
है
this is
no,
immaterial, guys. No, I'm sorry, I have to stop you guys because all of this you can keep railing and railing, saying Ten Hag needs to have a different game model. Why should he have a different game model?
no,
You've
तो
given
निखिल
him a
हमारा
game
point
model.
है कि मैनेजर का हम समझते हैं, but manager is there to manage the things.
Yes,
He is
but
not
he-
managing anything.
Arey Baba, so here's a very simple question to you. As a manager, do you want a manager now going in and saying, I want to play with a game? You are asked to play with a particular game model or just manage this game?
हाँ,
What do you want?
obviously, his own identity उसको
No.
impose करना ही पड़ेगा.
No,
Therefore,
मतलब they are both
now,
kind
if
of
he has to
managers.
impose
There are
an
both
identity-
kind of managers. मरीनो जो था, कॉन्टे जो था, वो सब जो managers है, they depend their strategy game on game. और अभी भी नागल्समैन टाइप जो managers हैं, they depend their strategy game on game.
नहीं, but basic identity impose करेंगे
They're
उसके
not
बाद
winning
वो
anymore,
variation
no?
है. हाँ,
They're
मतलब
not winning anymore. It's not winning anymore. Any
Yeah.
other style. So the idea was that you have to still have that gameplay. You have to have that game model. So if you have to
No.
force yourself into that game model, where I completely agree with you, and this is why I started with that, was that when you created the box, all you had to do was Mount is gone, put in Collier. You stick with that box. You're not ready to take Liverpool on gung ho right now. Maybe what was on his mind was that crazy game at Old Trafford last season where he's like, I'll stretch this out. Right? And we'll also create our chances. And you did create a few chances, but who cares? You open up too easily. Right? And there's a different midfield in Liverpool this time around. They're younger, they're faster. That's one thing that Liverpool was very noticeable. The midfielders were running
Yeah.
like hell. Gravenberch was excellent because of that.
I mean जो open play में आपने मैं भी that I gave credit. I mean Liverpool अभी ऐसा है कि you can't counter them because they don't leave that much space to counter them first of all. कि slot यहाँ लगी है जैसे आपने बोला था they sit back, always they sit back. So there's no option of countering जैसे Klopp के against करते थे. But जो opportunities था that you have created, I think that is a very good positive. I think it was an open play positive, wonderful, two wonderful balls from Rashford. I think both Zirkzee should have scored. I think उसका पता नहीं उसके जो पिछले maybe he lost some confidence and he lost some swagger क्योंकि वो
I'm very irritated. I think Ahmad would have created chances for you.
I think वो जो header था ना,
20
I think it's a
minutes,
guilt edge
what did Ahmad
opportunity
do in
भाई.
20 minutes that anybody else did in 90 minutes. Boss,
भाई
in
पाल
20
फ्री हेडर. आई मीन
Yeah,
उसके लिए
yeah.
तो क्रिटिसाइज किसी ने नहीं किया जर्गजी को क्योंकि मतलब ये पूरा ये मतलब कॉन्वर्सेशन ही बदल गया कि मतलब लिवरपूल गॉट आई मीन स्मैश आई मीन स्लैप्ड Manchester, but no one is now criticizing that he missed a gilt edge opportunity and you can't. Paul, this game is like in a live wire. I mean, हमेशा जो मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड लिवरपूल गेम में होता है एक स्पार की मतलब पूरा गेम ही चेंज कर सकता है. मतलब वो बंदे के पास फ्री हेडर रॉबर्टसन ने देखा भी नहीं, सेंटर ऑफ द गोल. ये भी नहीं कि उसको डायरेक्ट करना है, सेंटर ऑफ द गोल से सीधा मारा है.
If you take your two chances, you lose 3-2. इतनी गाली गलौज भी नहीं हो रही है यार.
हाँ, गाली गलौज भी नहीं हो रहा है. मैन यूनाइटेड केम फाइट बैक, प्रेशर कम है.
मेरा point ये है कि उसमें Liverpool also had chances, guilted chances that they missed.
I think no, not like Zirkzee one. Not
नहीं
like
पर
this-
जैसे वो Soboslai वाला जो चांस था
वो लास्ट में था भाई, वो लास्ट
हाँ.
में था.
Ahmad comes in. Ahmad in 20 minutes of play ends up with more touches by a United player in the box than any other United player.
Yeah, and
Because he has that technical ability to dribble past two and get into the box.
and the funniest part is कि उसने
When
सबसे
I
ज्यादा
saw
चांस
that Ahmad
क्रिएट
is
करे
not
थे.
starting, I was like, who is going to retain the ball for you? I don't understand.
Yeah,
Who-
yeah.
One man who is supposed to retain the ball. I look at that right wing, and why I'm so excited about that right wing is you have three supremely technical players who can play along with each other and create triangles. Mainu, Ahmad, and Mazraoui together. That's an insane. That is as good
Correct,
as
yeah,
anything
correct.
out there, boss.
Yeah.
You can include Zirkzee also if it drifted
Yeah,
to
and
the right.
that boy has feet. Now I don't know.
Yeah,
if
he has
expect
feet,
this
he
or
has
He
not.
has speed, he
I
has
don't know if
power
he
भी है,
expects
उसके पास
this or
power भी है, धक्का
not.
देने का
For
power.
about 40-50 minutes of this game, man, Joshua Zirkzee finally found out what the Premier League is. It was too fast for him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Way
There are
too
two-
quick for him.
Yeah, I
There were
remember.
times he got the ball and he's trying to do one of his sneaky things, put the ball around. He's very sharp in the way he puts the ball around the corner. But before he's turned, there's a defender on him.
I mean वो भी है, quality of the defender भी है ना, Virgil.
नहीं,
मतलब.
I always remember कि वो
Not
जो
just defenders, midfielder. What I'm saying, there's a Liverpool.
I mean, yeah,
player.
I mean, it's
You know, so-
Liverpool.
So that thinking time changes, right? And perhaps that's the anxiety when the chances come.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I think he'll be all right. I think he's a decent player. I think he'll be fine.
Yeah.
So all in all, your say is like, I mean, you shouldn't worry about the first three games, like how
No,
we
I
started.
see. It's not that. It's this bit, this 3-1-6 with Casemiro. If you're going to keep playing this, then you're going to. This is suicide. I don't know what to say to this.
Yeah,
Right?
so
Maybe at times it'll work, but otherwise it's suicide. Okay, so you come up against a weaker team, but because you're able to keep circulating the ball, you within their own half, you look better. But whenever you get a good pressing team, you're screwed with this. You cannot play this against Crystal Palace. I promise you this. 2 games from now, you can't play this against Palace. You can't play this against Villa. You can't play this against Spurs.
Yeah.
Even Wolves.
Those are 3 of your 4 next Premier League games, right?
Okay.
There's only the next one is Southampton.
अच्छा, okay.
Right? These are your next 3 out of 4. You can't play this rubbish in front of them. So by then, perhaps Ugarte is anyway into the 11, and he'll have to play him. I don't think he has a choice.
आई थिंक उगार्टे मतलब उगार्टे के पास भी यही है. आई थिंक इफ उसको अगर हेल्प नहीं करोगे ना, उसके पास एक फैबियन रूइज टाइप बंदा नहीं है, उसके पास एक मॉडरिच टाइप एक बंदा नहीं है, उसके पास
फेडी वाल्वर्डे बॉस,
हाँ फेडी वाल्वर्डे, मतलब वैसे बंदे नहीं है ना. मतलब आगे वो सफर ही करेगा क्योंकि ही इज नॉट नोन फॉर स्प्रेइंग पासेस.
Absolutely.
पलीनिया के साथ भी सेम ही है.
he's not
पलीनिया
a
इज नॉट फॉर
He's
स्प्रेइंग
not a
पासेस.
six, he's a double pivot. He's a double. Both of this has to be Menu and him together all
Yeah.
the time. All
Yeah.
the time.
Yeah, he's a Kante type of a player, but
Right.
Kante was more technical.
You made a very sharp observation about Collier's positioning. When Collier came on, I was very scared about it. I was like, where is he positioning him? So he then went to split 8s because then he went like, okay, I screwed this in the first half, and he'll blame Casemiro. And Casemiro does get a lot of there. There were things Casemiro did in that game where I was like,
नहीं
"Bhai,
मतलब we
नहीं, वो
recognize his
मतलब हगाई
greatness,
था,
तो
मतलब
हमें अच्छा नहीं
वो-
लगता, पर वो हगाई था पर उस वे में. लेकिन he was not that bad जितना मतलब उसको मतलब
नहीं,
क्रिटिसाइज
he
किया जा
was,
रहा
but
है.
he's
अब वो
not being
मैच
played
वो
to his
मैच पे
strength.
था.
वो मैच में
हाँ.
He's not being played to his strength, so I have some sympathy
Yeah.
for him as well. But you know, you can't
अरे
play
वो
a 32-year-old
बहुत
and
पास में
everybody
रहता है
else
यार, वो
thinks
डिफेंस
that
के
is a high
पास में
energy
रहता है
team.
वो. एक्चुअली वो बहुत इंटीग्रल है.
कैसेमीरो वैसा बंदा है ही नहीं कि जिसके दूर दूर बंदे हो सकते हैं. उसके क्रूस और मॉडरिच उसके हमेशा हैंड होल्ड रहते
Hand
थे.
holders.
एक साइड
That's
एक
right.
साइड क्रूस रहता था, एक साइड मॉडरिच
right.
रहता था. और
That's right.
कैसेमीरो वाज नॉट एग्जैक्टली
That's
सिक्स
right.
देयर. सिक्स
That's
नहीं
right.
था वो, जो सेंटर बैक से जो रिसीव करता था वो
हाँ.
क्रूस करता था, और
बिल्कुल,
क्रूस कैसेमीरो को देता था, फिर दे प्ले अराउंड देम.
ब्रो एंड दे यू नो दे कलेक्ट दोस बॉल्स. वो इंपॉर्टेंट,
हाँ.
सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट वही है कि अगर इवन मैड्रिड का जो प्राइम मैड्रिड है, अगर कैसेमीरो बीट हो गया है, द नेक्स्ट डिफेंस टांग अड़ाएगा ही अड़ाएगा. मतलब हमेशा,
हाँ.
मतलब अभी कैसेमीरो लूज कर रहा है बॉल तो क्या कर रहे हैं मैगवे, पीछे 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 दे गो बैक, राइट.
हाँ,
सो
yeah.
that won't happen in Madrid or even the prime Madrid.
आपने
Ramos
Martinez-
is there on the face of players.
आपने Martin-
Let's talk about that structural problem for a moment, right? So
आपने-
it's a mad pass. That pass for the first goal that he misses.
Yeah.
It's a crazy pass. That pass isn't on. There's
No, I
space
don't
in-
think so. Nikhil, I completely disagree.
It was
on
not
your point.
on
You see
actually.
the aerial view of it. There is no space
नहीं
there.
नहीं ऑन नहीं था, ऑन नहीं था, पास ऑन नहीं था.
नहीं, वो अगर आप कोबी माइनो की पोजीशनिंग पास से पहले देखोगे, जस्ट बिफोर ब्रूनो गेव हिम द बॉल, तब है ना कोबी माइनो उसकी पासिंग रेंज में था. कोबी माइनो वाज
Why?
देयर.
You're the 6. You can't just blindly.
हाँ वो भी है. पाल
वो
उसको
भी है.
he
I
had to see
understand
it.
that. नहीं, I understand that.
वहां पे 3 लोग थे डिफेंस.
नहीं, मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि कोबी माइनो अपनी पोजीशनिंग होल्ड नहीं करा. ही जस्ट रैन अवे फ्रॉम हिज पोजीशनिंग. और कैसेमीरो और मिडफील्डर कांट रैन अवे फ्रॉम हिज पोजीशनिंग. ही इज नॉट अ विंगर. कोबी इज नॉट अ विंगर.
लोग उस पे चढ़ जाएंगे भाई. He's trying
No,
to
but
do
he
this
has to
now.
be near Casemiro. He shouldn't run away from the ball. वो ball receive करने की position में होना
I'll tell
चाहिए.
you how this happened.
He turned his back on the ball.
I'll tell you
Nikhil,
how it happened.
No,
Casemiro
and my point
came
is
out with the
Kobe
ball.
Maino turned his back on the ball.
Oh, bro,
जब उसने
please,
pass
yeah,
किया था.
please. This is my team. I know I watch them much closer than you do. Casemiro comes out with the ball. He plays with Menu. He gets the ball back. He puts the ball to Bruno. Okay.
Yeah, Bruno.
Now there's that weird video going around that Bruno wanted to go forward to
Yeah.
a pass to Garnacho, but the ref was standing in his way. Whatever.
हाँ.
Fine, the ref. I don't care.
नहीं, Bruno का pass भी इतना अच्छा नहीं
Right?
था.
Now
Correct.
it's from Bruno that the ball comes back
Back to Casemiro.
Garnacho
Casemiro.
and to Casemiro, and Casemiro is right now in acres.
Yeah.
He doesn't actually have pressure on him, right?
Yeah.
And at that point in time, because they're both this side, on that left side, on that left channel, it gets overcrowded. That's
Yeah.
when Menu makes a cutting run, right? But what you can't do as the 6 boss is just pass.
नहीं उस एरिया में उसका पास देना ही नहीं चाहिए
Now
था
the
उस एरिया में.
structural problem is this: you make that pass, it gets blocked.
Yeah.
Your other 2 midfielders in that 3 are out of the game.
Correct. Completely out.
Shouldn't be. Not at that stage. They shouldn't be. Right. Your left wing, your left fullback. Okay, at least he's closer. Dalot was closer. Martinez should have actually done better in the defensive.
Close down नहीं किया.
No, both goals, boss. First 2 goals, there is no way Martinez gets away from criticism of those. One-on-one defending by Martinez in those first two goals is very poor. He's actually had a very bad start to the whole season. But he's also having a bad start. You know why? Because his ability, his passing ability, he's being made to make exceptionally difficult passes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं
Very key passes.
निखिल मेरा पॉइंट बस ये था कि यार ना कैसेमीरो की गलती है, आई कंप्लीटली एग्री, मैं उसको गलती से भगा नहीं दे रहा हूँ कि उसकी गलती नहीं है, पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कोबी माइनो को भी की भी गलती है उस चीज में, दैट्स ऑल।
यार देखो मैं
हाँ।
तुमको इस तरीके से बताता हूँ, जब वो बॉक्स सेटअप था अगेंस्ट ब्राइटन एंड अगेंस्ट फुलहम, कैसेमीरो डिड नॉट लुक एज बैड, व्हाई, बिकॉज़ ही गॉट प्लेयर्स नेक्स्ट टू हिम, बट हियर आर द 4 goals United conceded up until the 2 scored by Liverpool in the first half, right? The first goal by Brighton, Casemiro lets his runner go, Maguire makes the error after, but Casemiro lets his runner go. Second goal against Brighton, again Casemiro lets his runner go.
Yeah, but I think it was more over from
But
everyone,
fine,
right?
there are other
अरे वहाँ पे 3 बंदे थे यार, तो कैसेमीरो नहीं था।
other people can defend, but you as the 6 didn't do your job. That's
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर कोई भी 6 रख दोगे वो ही विल लेट हिम गो।
Actually, उसको मतलब it was like a transition में था।
Last 2 minutes, you're not going to let him go, bro.
I think Lisandro Martinez was about to clear the ball. Actually वहाँ पे fumble हुआ था, तो इसलिए वो रन लेने लगा उसके बाद। But yeah, it was a mistake. I mean, yeah,
Your
he has to.
misplaced pass, and you as the 6 also don't get close to the ball. You don't get there close to the ball. Fourth goal, I mean, if Luis Diaz can knock a guy as this size over, it's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I mean,
He
पाल
was
जो
there.
फर्स्ट वाला जो गोल है ना, तू मतलब तू समझ नहीं रहा है, कोई माइनो ने जो भी ये गलती है, बट उसका पार्शियली गलती है। एक्चुअली क्या है ना,
हाँ,
the
हाँ,
play is
majority कैसेमीरो ही है।
shifting from left side to right side. Actually कैसेमीरो को ऐसे देखना चाहिए इस साइड, मतलब जो ब्रूनो ने किया, ब्रूनो वांटेड टू पास टू, मतलब वहां पे पूरा खाली है गेम,
That's right.
वहां
That's
पे
right.
पूरा
You already
स्पेस,
get
वहां पे
Bernardo
ब्रूइंग है,
outrunning, yeah.
तो मतलब वहां मतलब 3 लिवरपूल के मिडफील्डर्स लिटरली वहीं खड़े हैं, यू कांट
You can't
पास
put the ball in
देयर,
that zone at
मतलब
all. You can't put the ball at all.
हाँ नहीं, पर वही चीज सेम चीज जो
मतलब उसको बस एक फेंट देता ना,
अरे
एक
ये-
फेंट
ये
देता
तो-
ना, मतलब
ये
मतलब
तो-
पूरा खाली है, मतलब बस
Yeah.
In
इतना
the
ही
end,
है।
what this comes down to is what you're very right. मेरे को ना what happened with Casemiro, I can tell bad Casemiro in about 3 minutes. Everything from the start of that game, na, he was trying to go quickly and long. And I was like, मर गए, आज तो गए, आज तो इससे गलतियां होनी ही होनी है. There was one before that. You remember when he got
हाँ।
nearly closed down by McAllister and ended up kicking him in the nuts pretty much.
हाँ
और एक बार तो बॉल छोड़ दिया था उसने, देखा था?
बिल्कुल.
एक बार तो उसे पता है, एक बार तो उसे पता है,
टैंकर ही नहीं
नहीं
छोड़ा.
नहीं, मैं वही कैसेमीरो की प्रॉब्लम वही बोल रहा हूँ कि रियल मैड्रिड में उसके हैंड होल्डिंग थे 2
वही.
मिडफील्डर, और
So-
यहाँ पे मतलब उसने
so
आगे देखा
So let me
कोई
break
बंदा नहीं
that
है,
down simply.
पीछे देखा कोई बंदा नहीं है, उसने बॉल छोड़ दिया,
उसने बॉल छोड़ दिया।
You can't have this guy making a 20-yard pass in the center of midfield. 15-yard
Correct,
pass.
correct.
It can't be.
या तो मतलब वही
that's-
हम बोल रहे हैं कि है ना,
there-
मतलब टेन हाग
there
हैज
I'm
सो
totally
मेनी
with
नेगेटिव्स
you.
देन पॉजिटिव्स।
There I'm totally with you. Every single United fan knows this is Ten Hag. This was Ten Hag's error, right?
Yeah.
Especially what irritates us is it's not as if he doesn't have another setup which has worked for him, where
Yeah.
he can keep this closer. And this
फर्स्ट
was
सीजन में
not.
खेल रहे थे आप लोग।
No, even in this season, yeah, at the start of the season, he's been playing a more compact shape, much more compact shape.
या नहीं, लेकिन जो फर्स्ट
ये
सीजन
game
में
आती
फर्स्ट
है,
हाफ था दैट वाज
बहुत gung-ho है.
ओके।
I really look. I'm.
Yeah. So
Here's the thing with Ten Hag. He is the maker of his own destiny from here. He knows how to coach any of these systems. He knows how to fill these gaps. If he wants to fill them, he will be all right. I think he'll be all right. If he doesn't want to fill these gaps, he's
Yeah.
gone in a few months. That's as simple.
I think Ten Hag, I think he has also lost it. He lost it against the press as well. बहुत बड़ा controversy हुआ था कि what kind of problems फिर
Yeah,
देखा वो प्रेस वाला बताने
yeah,
लगा लिस्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स की
Yeah, yeah,
स्ट्रक्चरली
I
तुम
think
लोग
when
ये
you-
वो
yeah.
ये
when you start, to me that comes more from a guilty conscience. Like you know,
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जब
you know the
मैनेजर्स है ना ऐसा
battle is
बात
coming
करने
your way, so you fight first.
या जैसे मैनेजर्स ऐसा स्टार्ट कर देते हैं ना बात करना, उस टाइम लगता है कि दे आर इन अनकंफर्टेबल पोजीशन करंटली। मरीनियो का याद है, यू रिमेंबर
Classic Mourinho, yeah. This is classic Mourinho.
या यू नो व्हाट अदर 19 प्रीमियर लीग मैनेजर्स हैव 2, आई हैव 3, रेस्पेक्ट।
और वो भी था हेरिटेज भी वही था, फुटबॉल हेरिटेज वाला जो सबसे बड़ा।
तो मतलब यू टॉक अबाउट दिस योर ग्लोरियस पास्ट, जो तो इतना ग्लोरियस भी नहीं है टेना के केस में, तो कि जब है ना मतलब यू आर ऑन द फायरिंग लाइन, दैट्स व्हाई। पर लेट्स एनफ अबाउट द मिडफील्ड, एनफ अबाउट द डिफेंस। हमने बहुत बात कर ली डिफेंस और मिडफील्ड। लास्ट चीज यूनाइटेड के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, फॉरवर्ड्स। कि फॉरवर्ड्स के बारे में देयर आर टू मेनी नेगेटिव्स निकल, टू मेनी नेगेटिव्स। ब्रूनो, वी डिस्कस्ड विद ब्रूनो इन द लास्ट एपिसोड, आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू ब्रूनो इज ए बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिव गाय। ही इज 80% ऑफ द नेगेटिव, 20% ऑफ द पॉजिटिव साइड उस वे में। रैशफोर्ड, आई थिंक रैशफोर्ड हैज गिवन अप कंप्लीटली। उसको वो 350 आ रहे हैं के पर वीक के, एंड ही हैज कंप्लीटली गिवन अप। द ओनली प्लेयर दैट इज प्लेइंग वेयर इज अहमद, और उसमें और टेनाक को मतलब फर्स्ट जल्दी रहती है कि मैं इसको कब निकालूं पिच से। वो सेकंड मैच में भी उसने गोल कर दिया था, दैट्स व्हाई ही स्टेड ऑन, वरना वो रैशफोर्ड की जगह उसको ही निकालने वाला था सेकंड मैच में भी, इफ यू
यार
रिमेंबर दैट।
उसमें ना बड़ी
So there are too many negatives about the front line, too many negatives. और
Garnacho,
Where
Garnacho,
are your goals going to come from? That's the big
हाँ,
question.
और निखिल लास्ट पॉइंट, जस्ट माय लास्ट पॉइंट ऑन दैट, पिछले 2 सीजन में चाहे ट्रेनाग ने 2 ट्रॉफी जीती है, यू हैव स्कोर्ड 57 गोल्स एंड 58 स्कोर्ड गोल्स, दिस इज द स्टैटिस्टिक्स गोइंग अराउंड, हमेशा सबसे कम गोल मारे हैं आप लोगों ने, और जो जीडी है वो तो नेगेटिव ही है, अभी भी -3 और पिछले में बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिव था, आई थिंक -2 -5 था, एंड यू हैव लॉस्ट 14 मैचेस आउट ऑफ 38 लास्ट सीजन, तो मतलब बहुत सारे स्टैटिस्टिक्स है देने को, तो
5 of the last 17 have been won, boss. This is
एग्जैक्टली मतलब दिस इज रेलीगेशन बैटल फॉर्म.
Boss, Fulham manager gets fired on this, yeah. Forget about United manager.
Yeah. So talk about your forwards and the Tanak future, Nikhil.
Okay,
On this.
so with the reason why he's persisting with Rashford the way he is Rashford is the only player in the squad that he has seen score 30-35 goals a season thrice. All right, it's the only player that he looks at who can take the burden on properly, right? The problem with Rashford right now is I have no answers anymore. He doesn't want to dribble past any defender anymore. But kismat dekho, right? He would have had an assist against Fulham.
Yeah.
Perhaps even a goal against Fulham.
Yeah.
Right? He had a disallowed
Maybe he
goal.
would have fortunes.
Right.
You have Bruno for
And
that, bro.
one sec. He could have had 2 assists against Liverpool. And he had those numbers in like suddenly.
नहीं एक्चुअली लिवरपूल में ही प्लेड 2 ब्रिलियंट पासेस एक्चुअली, वो बोलना नहीं चाहिए, मतलब ये है कि आई थिंक द वन माइनस पॉइंट इज लाइक द फर्स्ट पॉइंट व्हिच यू मेंशन, ही इज नॉट टेकिंग ऑन प्लेयर्स, जो पुराना रैशफोर्ड है वो पता नहीं कहां गया.
What do I do? He can, even if he doesn't create chances, if he creates the pre-assist, that's good enough for me.
Yeah.
But you don't. What do I do once you get the ball?
उसका राइट फुट कितना अच्छा है यार, उन्हें तो प्यारा राइट फुट है उसका
यार. Possession dies with Rashford. Your gameplay dies with Rashford. You can't rotate the ball around with Rashford. You can't do anything with Rashford, right? And he still needs to get Rashford firing because he needs goals from Rashford. He can't help that fact.
Yeah.
Right now, Garnacho is the natural choice. Is you drop Rashford, you put Garnacho on that. As simple as that. There's no other way to go about this. And I think Rashford from here is a very, very short leash because your next few games, right? So there's Southampton, which you should be winning, and Rashford should be putting up a performance against that kind of fullback, right? Then you will have Barnsley. Maybe Rashford gets that game, maybe he doesn't, but whatever minutes he gets against a Barnsley fullback, he should be playing well. Then he's got FC 20 in the Europa League, right? So these 3 games are games in which Marcus Rashford has to at least show that he can run with the ball and dribble with the ball.
Yeah.
And if you can't do those things, then what's left with you, yaar?
I think he still has it. I don't know how कि मेरे को इतना ये नहीं लगता कि इतना fall of grace है उसके लिए कि मतलब वो dribbling मतलब वो जीन्स में है यार, dribbling तो जीन्स में होता है.
I don't think his start this season is as bad as what all of last.
Yeah, I mean वो कर रहा है, मतलब वो जितना कर रहा है मतलब उसको ज्यादा करना चाहिए, बट आई थिंक द लेवल्स इतना अभी गिर गया है रैशफोर्ड में देखते व्हाट कर दे भाई काफी है ऐसा हो गया.
दिनेश माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, दिनेश कि है ना, व्हाट इज एन एवरेज रैशफोर्ड? एवरेज रैशफोर्ड बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा प्लेयर नहीं है, आप है ना लास्ट का स्टैट्स उठा के देख लो, पिछले 7-8 सीजन्स में से 2 सीजन्स ही उसके अच्छे गए हैं, ओनली 2 सीजन्स ही हैज परफॉर्म्ड वेल. रैशफोर्ड ने
एक्चुअली वो निखिल
दो उसके पर्पल पैचेस रहे हैं 2 सीजन्स में, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट 7 इयर्स और इसका स्टार्टिंग सीजन जब वो जस्ट ब्रेक थ्रू कर रहा था, उसके अलावा रैशफोर्ड हैज नॉट बीन वेल.
I mean in a
he has purple patches in his career. I mean, but continuously he is bad.
From मैं पॉजिटिव पर्सपेक्टिव से बता रहा हूँ, मतलब फ्रॉम एज अ थर्ड पर्सन, राइट, पॉजिटिव पर्सपेक्टिव से कि आई मीन दे वांट हिम टू स्कोर गोल्स, बट ये है कि दे वांट हिम टू बी द ओल्ड रैशफोर्ड, मतलब एटलीस्ट टेक ऑन प्लेयर्स फेल. अभी क्या हो गया ना, आई थिंक ही इज सिटिंग बैक इन अ शेल. आई थिंक आई वांट दैट रैशफोर्ड. एक्चुअली मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के लिए वो एक एक्स फैक्टर हो जाता है, मतलब रैशफोर्ड है तो लोग डरने लगते हैं. It's not like people will, oh भाई ये बंदा कुछ भी कर सकता है, right? He can shoot, maybe he's shooting off targets, maybe he's taking on beating 2 players and not able to score. वो ठीक है, that Rashford is better than this Rashford who is very safe mentality, मतलब मैं assist provider बनूंगा. वो वाला Rashford actually is a net negative for the team because when the team is not scoring enough goals. और अभी तू किसको ट्रस्ट करेगा भाई? ज़ग्ज़ी पे ट्रस्ट करेगा 20+ सीजन? जो अमाड डियोलो जो बच्चा है उससे करेगा? एक बंदे ने प्रूव किया है, कभी ना कभी तो प्रूव किया है इधर ही स्कोर 20+. तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल एक्सपेक्ट, मैनेजर सोचेगा भाई तू आजा यार, पिछले फॉर्म में आजा.
जस्ट
वही।
बिफोर निखिल गो, निखिल मैं आपको बस एक स्टैट दे देता हूँ रैशफोर्ड का। प्रीमियर लीग में दिस इज हिज 10th सीजन। जस्ट इमेजिन 10th सीजन है रैशफोर्ड का। ही हैज क्लियर्ड 15 गोल्स ट्वाइस एंड ही हैज क्लियर्ड 10 गोल्स अ प्रीमियर लीग सीजन। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल सीजन। 10 प्रीमियर लीग सीजन में 15 गोल्स 2 बार गया है वो, और 10 प्लस गोल वो टोटल 4 बार गया है। तो यू इमेजिन कि एवरेज लगा लो, व्हाट इज हिज एवरेज।
I mean वैसे नहीं सोच सकता यार।
मतलब वैसे भी नहीं सोच सकता, पर करंटली आई एम सेइंग कि 10 सीजंस में से 4 सीजन ही हैज क्रॉस 10 गोल्स, 10 प्लस सीजन गोल्स।
Yeah, but he also had a lot of assists. First, he's a wide player. Yeah.
हाँ
I'll
वाइट
take,
प्लेयर है ना, you
I'll
can't
take
expect
17,
yeah.
18.
No, I think he is not a wide player like Hazard. He is a wide player like Salah who scores goals.
Yeah, but United
No,
were
United
playing
reliant नहीं था ना
a
उसमें।
lot more. No? See,
Yeah.
he was also part of a front three, which was Greenwood, Martial, and Rashford. That
Yeah.
in one season had scored more than your Liverpool front three.
Yeah.
And it assisted more goal assists as well than
Yeah.
that front three. So, yeah, बात वो नहीं है. So the problem is if he doesn't dribble, right, then the defense remains settled.
Yeah.
The opposition defense remains settled. You need Rashford to.
Yeah.
Ahmad creates what? He creates 3 players chasing him. That's what created those gaps in that
Yeah.
D, right? And it also pushes the opponent back.
Yeah.
If your wingers are not going to this, why did I hate Sancho? I saw Sancho play a
Sancho is a
Cypriot
perfect
team,
segue.
a Cypriot team, okay, in the Europa League, and he wasn't willing to dribble to try to go after that fullback.
Yeah.
Then what the hell is the point of view? boss?
Yeah, I think सांचो वाला केस तो कुछ ज्यादा ही डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि डॉर्टमंड में वो अलग ही वो ड्रिबल करता था, पता नहीं
Yeah,
यूनाइटेड में
मैं
आके।
उसकी बात ही नहीं कर रहा.
Yeah,
I'm not even on that. I'm just saying that if you're a wide player, it's your responsibility to do.
Yeah,
It's
you
your
have to play,
Yeah,
play
perfectly,
direct. Yeah.
perfectly. Yeah, but the only player that can dribble currently in your team is only Ahmad.
Yeah,
Nobody else.
Problem is Rashford can. He's just so worried about losing the ball.
Yeah,
Confidence
no,
is
but
so
Nikhil,
low.
कॉन्फिडेंस
वही
लो है मेरे हिसाब से।
नहीं
He'll go up to the
You go ahead.
fullback and then he'll sort of
turns
go
back.
to the side and then turn around and come back.
Turns back.
Tired of this blind alley, man. Blind alley.
नहीं अभी वो लास्ट के 3 मैच में तो वो काफी हो गया, मतलब I
मतलब
think,
that's how you
That's
know
every
he has
match.
given up. He has completely given up on that. Yeah, that's how you know.
So he has to like there
Body
is no
language
option.
Nikhil is the best thing to मतलब से
You
पता
know,
लग
the
जाता
only
है.
circumstance in which he looks good when he gets that ball over the top and he's actually past the defender. Right?
हाँ.
That's where against Fulham he created that chance for Garnacho. Right? He's still good, but again that chance.
जो हगा था।
हाँ, खाली
That chance,
खाली.
even that one, confident Rashford shoots himself.
हाँ ये I mean मैं भी
हाँ.
शॉक था यार, मैं सीरियसली शॉक था कि he squared the ball।
पास कैसे करते हैं? He is a selfish player. End of the day.
Selfish की बात नहीं है यार. If you're a striker and a goal scorer, you score, you go for it.
अबे I mean अभी वो तो मतलब गिल्ट एज स्कोर था, it was an easy।
narrow है यार. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत वाइड से आ रहा था. He was fairly narrow on the goal post.
अरे मतलब मेरे को पता है वो एक वही चीज मेरे को जो कम्युनिटी शील्ड में जो उसको मिला था, ऑलमोस्ट कर्लर, मतलब इजीएस्ट कर्लर ऑफ
हाँ, जो उसने बाहर मार दिया।
हाँ, और उसे एक बार टैप इन मिला था, शिन में लग के बाहर चला गया। तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो वाला पहला वाला रैशफोर्ड कम से कम टारगेट पे तो मार देता, इस बार टारगेट पे भी नहीं मारा भाई, मतलब उसकी वजह से उसका कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो गया।
दिस वे यार, उनमें से एक दो घुस जाते अगर, लाइक हिज कॉन्फिडेंस चेंजेस, राइट?
हाँ वही एग्जैक्टली।
There is lots of mileage in his legs now. मतलब जो हम स्टर्लिंग का बात करते हैं ना करंटली की, स्टर्लिंग लास्ट 2-3 साल से अच्छा
नहीं, बट वो
किया है।
भागा ही नहीं है, माइलेज नहीं है।
But I'm saying कि Rashford है ना, 10th सीजन है निखिल, 10th सीजन बहुत ज्यादा होता है for a
नहीं,
young
but-
player to start or continuously play.
But Rashi, two things with him.
He is not a young player anymore.
He's not, but his frame is designed to play.
या ही इज एथलेटिक फ्रेम है, बहुत अच्छा एथलेटिक फ्रेम है।
Very lean.
I think पता नहीं, you don't know कि मतलब his pace is gone now. मतलब you never know कि अब
No, but it's not.
he has to prove that. He has
नहीं,
to prove that
एक्सेलरेशन
now.
चला गया,
So
पेस
it
है,
might go in 2
एक्सेलरेशन नहीं है।
seasons. I don't know. It might go in 1.5
हाँ,
seasons, but it's not
मतलब-
gone yet. It's not gone yet.
हाँ,
right?
but he has to
He'll
prove
do
that
this.
कि it's still there. कि Rashford को prove करना
For
पड़ेगा.
a very simple thing, Marcus
Yeah.
Rashford, if he doesn't deliver this season, is getting sold. It's as simple as that.
But yeah, that's a separate conversation कि 350 के कौन लेगा, but that's a separate conversation.
यार,
But
अगर 350 के ले रहा है तो एंड में एकेडमी प्लेयर है ना यार, तू मेरे को 10 मिलियन दे दे, 20 मिलियन दे दे, 30 मिलियन दे दे, एटलीस्ट मेरे यहाँ से तो you save up on the
Yeah.
transfer fee and you get a player like Rashford goes to Italy or Spain, he might just kill teams, boss, because his speed exists, right? Like it's not as if the guy isn't a good enough
नहीं,
player.
वही he needs some change of some
yeah,
sort.
that's a perfect segue to transfers like Sancho. जो आगे की बात है कि Sancho has gone now, निखिल. तो Sancho के बारे में I think you are pretty okay with Sancho leaving your club.
Yeah.
The transfer amount that you were hoping ये 40-45 मिल जाएगा, you didn't get that.
How will you get 40-45 with that idiot?
हाँ, but
भाई तुम्हारे पास
he was a Champions League finalist just 3 months back.
यार, in that entire loan, what was his total goal contribution? That
नहीं,
entire
he was
Football
one of
is
the
not
best
about GA, Nikhil. I think I expect better from you
Well,
in that
all
way.
right,
कि है ना,
it's not about
आप है ना,
GA.
आप है ना
Suddenly
बहुत
you guys
पुराने
are
player
all
हो.
wise and philosophers. So
No,
one sec.
but Nikhil, आप
No,
बहुत आप
I-
अभी के अभी थोड़ी देख रहे हैं.
all
कुछ
of this
हैं आपने.
bullshit about
आप तो
Sancho
30
is
साल से
based
देख
on
रहे हो
one
football
half of football in the Champions League. He was a dud in his loan as well. He's come to Chelsea.
Dinesh, he was a
You
dud in
watch
his loan?
this guy fall flat on his face.
Yeah.
The problem with this boy is simple. He doesn't want to put in the effort. It's as simple as that.
I mean, he wasn't a dud. I think
Nikhil, you are too harsh
I
on
mean,
him.
Dortmund
मतलब
में
जितना
I
आप
think
positive हो ना, you are too harsh on
Dortmund में
that
वो
boy.
अच्छा ही था. मतलब he was
हाँ.
decent. He was not a dud. I mean, he was dud अगर बोलोगे तो मतलब इसके पास मतलब उसने literally कुछ भी नहीं
मतलब he
किया.
was-
अगर वो dud था तो मतलब वो Champions League final में खेलता भी नहीं. मतलब वो है.
He
मतलब
was
you
the
have to
best
think
player
about.
against the
Abhi
PSG
PSG
both
क्योंकि वो
legs.
basically वो last
Both
game of the
PSG
season है और one of the most important of the game of the season and he started. So that
And he
means he
created
meant something to
This is the thing
Dortmund.
about Jadon Sancho in the Premier League. It moves too fast for him. He will play well in any game for 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
No, वो ठीक है. नहीं वो सब ठीक है. Even I
बात
somewhat
total
think like
collapse.
that. But वो जो सागा है मतलब
Anyway,
जो जैसे
with
मतलब
Sancho, it was a very simple thing. He came back from Dortmund. He didn't even change his social scene.
But do you think that he had
to
those opportunities given at United? I mean, उसको trust किया मैनेजर ने और उसको मतलब खिलाया जैसे वो कैसेमीरो को अभी खिला रहा है इतना गलती के बाद इतना सब करने के बाद मतलब did he trust
Nikhil, my
Sancho
one
enough
question
to
to
play?
you is-
He started
Nikhil,
him.
my one question to you is कि when did he have a series of games? Tell me, when did he have
he
a
deserve a
series?
series of games?
No,
What does one
you
do
have
that?
to show faith in a
यार
player.
एक बंदे को तुमने
मतलब
record
एक player
transfer
को
Why the hell am
75
I obligated to show faith in any player that doesn't show faith in the system or doesn't?
You are
doesn't
showing
play in the system?
faith in
Boss,
dud
I don't
like
care what
Rashford.
I don't care what your fee is. If you're not doing it in training, you don't get to play. End of story.
You are
Really
showing
फर्क
faith
पड़ता
in a
है।
duds like Rashford and Bruno, and you can't show
Rashford कहाँ
any
से dud हो गया? Rashford has 5 times the goals and assists that this guy has. Yeah, Rashford's a dud, but Sancho's suddenly the next
from
time.
last 2 seasons. From last 2 seasons.
Oh, please, dude, let's just calm down. You got Sancho, and you're a Chelsea
No.
fan, right? You got,
No, I'm not excited.
नहीं,
I'm
मैं
not
वो-
excited.
you've got
I'm just
Sancho, right?
saying-
We'll see about Sancho at the end.
नहीं
Yeah,
सैंचो
exactly.
चूतिया है ये वो है हम लोग वो डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं हम लोग क्या है ना
So
वो
I'll tell you the
ट्रांसफर
six.
सागा
I'll
के
tell you the
ऊपर
six.
मतलब
he started for Ten Hag in the early season when Ten Hag first arrived. He was the guy who scored the goal against Liverpool. He got a goal.
मतलब
against
उसमें तो
Everton.
क्वालिटी it reeks of quality
Yeah,
actually
yeah, it's all Greeks quality and all very well.
अरे बहुत सा गोल था यार
He got a goal against
वो तो
Everton.
बहुत मतलब
He got a
shows
goal
that
against
he has
Everton.
brains.
He had 4 other games, 5 other games, after which it became apparent that now there's no running left in this boy again. And you know which game it became apparent in? That late 1-1 that happened at Stamford Bridge, but actually in the first half we played much better than Chelsea. That was Ten Hag versus this guy, your last man.
यार उसने बहुत पिवटल गोल जॉर्जिनियो से भी मार रखा था यार
He
कैसे
scored
डमी
that
था
goal की जॉर्जिनो miscontrolled वाला हाँ कि वो
Right.
half line से लेके खाली था पर he ran from the half line.
वो तो season prior था.
हाँ
That
no
was
but I
season.
think कि आप बहुत harsh हो निकल Jadon Sancho
No. One sec. So after that,
I think all the Manchester United
I'm
fans.
mentally
Yeah.
short. I'm mentally short. आपको 3 महीने की वेकेशन भी दी गई सर. आप गए, आप वापस आए, आप जिस दिन खेलने के लिए आए हो, उस दिन टेन हाग आपकी पीठ ऐसे थपथपा रहा है कि मेरा बेटा वापस आ गया है. आपको वापस पिच पे डाला जाता है. आप एक गेम अच्छी खेलते हो इन रन ऑफ 11 गेम्स. एक गेम. Okay, 1 in 11. I'm sorry, it's not good enough.
Yeah, I mean of course it's not
Anthony
good
was
enough
contributing more at that time.
but मैं ऐसा लग रहा है उसको जो जैसे ट्रीट किया है ना तुम लोगों ने मतलब वो
हमने
भी अच्छा
treat
था
किया.
मतलब
You
you
don't-
guys sidelined for just for
One second.
ego clash
You saw what he ended up doing with the man. What did the manager say? I wasn't satisfied with his training performance. That's not a big deal.
No,
Manager said-
Nikhil, there is a difference.
you shouldn't throw player under the bus actually
Dinesh,
What do you mean don't throw players under the bus? They have no professionalism.
दिनेश जो हमने लास्ट मैच में डिस्कस किया लास्ट पॉडकास्ट में डिस्कस किया था कि जो एंजो मरेस्का भी कर रहा है भले ही गलत है सही है ही डायरेक्टली सेड टू द फेस ऑफ स्टर्लिंग गैरेगर और क्या बोलते हैं उसे बेन चिलवेल कि यू आर नॉट पार्ट
Part
ऑफ
of
माय
us,
प्लान्स गेट द हेल आउट ही सेड दैट पर उसने स्टर्लिंग की कभी जाके बुराई नहीं करी है प्रेस में कि स्टर्लिंग इज अ बैड प्लेयर ही स्टर्लिंग इज नॉट ट्रेनिंग वेल
Ten
एंड
Hag. He was asked
training
why
well.
isn't he playing. He said, "Look,
No, but
It-
Ten Hag is gaslighting in a way कि वो उसको वो कर रहा है कि you will play,
what
you
did
will
Ten
play.
Hag do? He had
No,
one
he has
final
said कि you are
comment.
not training
उन्होंने
well.
हवा बना दिया.
No.
What is this supposed to be?
He's
a
not
10-year-old
training well.
boy who needs to
No,
be given a
मतलब-
lollipop every day.
No,
He's an
मगर
unprofessional
निखिल अगर
footballer.
मेरा
That's his
manager
problem. He's an
नहीं, but manager ने भी unprofessional किया ना. You can't throw a player under the bus. He is not
This
training
is a
well.
guy who stays up till 3 a.m. regularly.
No, when
Comes
did
into
Fergie
training
did
late,
that until he wants to
often doesn't
sell
deliver
that
in
player?
training. Why should he be played? I don't understand. Why should
नहीं, Fergie वाला अलग है. Fergie
you
is a, I
understand?
mean,
Dortmund used to have a separate person assigned कि इसको साले को training time पे ले आओ यार. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is not good enough.
yeah, I mean, of course. I mean, जो मतलब जो treat, मैं तो यही बोल रहा हूँ कि जिस बंदे को जो इसे treat किया है नहीं, if you are like sidelining him, मतलब squad में है, मतलब उसको पहले ही बोल देते ना भाई, तू squads में है ही नहीं, हमारे plan में है ही नहीं. तू
How is he ill-treated, boss?
नहीं, मतलब बोल सकता ना, टेनाक बोल सकता ना, he is not in our plans.
कब बोल सकता है?
कभी भी बोल
एक
सकता
बार
है.
तो आपको लोन कर दिया, उसके बाद आपको बेचना था, तो मैं उस टाइम में आपको बेचने के वक्त तो नहीं बोलूंगा ना मेरे प्लान्स में नहीं है, मेरे को मार्केट तो खड़ा रखना है ना, उस टाइम तो नहीं बोलूंगा. उसको भी पता था, because when he came back from Dortmund, he didn't even change his socials to United. Boss, his socials remained.
अगर आप ऐसे socials का बात करोगे तो Ten Hag took him to Brighton and he left him out of the squad.
Very good. Stay there. You're not good enough, boss. You're not going to play for Man United again. It's clear. You just have to be sold.
Say this to his face. Say this to his face.
How do you know he hasn't? He didn't change any of his socials because he knows he's leaving. Only question is, where do we get the price? That's all.
Yeah.
They were trying to basically run it between Juve and Chelsea, and जो जहाँ better price मिला वहाँ बेच दिया. Boss, they have sold what you call such a great player to a direct rival. All right?
Who?
सैंचो नहीं, हम लोग सैंचो को ग्रेट प्लेयर नहीं बता रहे यार.
No, we are not. हमने कब बोला हमने ग्रेट प्लेयर है वो?
अभी तो तुम बोल रहे थे
नहीं, मतलब
he was
उसको
so good, he was
नहीं,
this,
उसका
he was that.
सिचुएशन है, उस बंदे का
No, no,
प्लेयर का जो
हमने कभी
सिचुएशन है
नहीं
वो
बोला
ऐसे
कि
हुआ.
They were willing to sell him to a
आप
direct
मैंने
rival.
बहुत twist कर रहे हो words को.
They were willing to sell him to a direct rival. They don't rate him at all. Much as you were willing to sell to give Sterling to a direct rival,
Yeah.
because you don't rate him at all.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? So it's the same concept. We don't rate him. He has to go.
No, but the saga could have been better. That's the only point.
If he had one game in his career that I can look at United.
यार तुम मार्शियल को भी तो खिला रहे हो यार.
वो लिवरपूल
एंटनी मार्शियल को भी तो खिला रहे हो.
I'm sorry, that's one moment in a game.
No,
I want a
वो-
game in which he's actually
यार
controlled.
पाल, what about Anthony Martial then?
Martial has a lot of games that he was just banger level.
हाँ, but वो
Just
भी,
his
can you
game.
remember one decent games or two decent games out of him?
He
स्टार्टिंग में
has
आर्सेनल के अगेंस्ट उसने एक डिसेंट गेम खेला, वो भी जैसे वो भी मोमेंट बोल सकते हैं.
he has literally destroyed City 3 times. Okay? He comes onto the pitch, he holds the ball differently, his skills are different level altogether.
कोई Anthony?
You can't compare Martial to Sancho. Sancho तो joke
नहीं
है.
नहीं, ओके एंटनी मार्शियल तो छोड़ो, ठीक है. एंटनी मार्शियल तो चल, वो ही वाज प्रीमियर लीग, मतलब कोविड प्रीमियर लीग में तो वो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स था. चलो मतलब वो अपना जो तुम्हारा लेफ्ट बैक है, लेफ्ट विंगर है, वो कौन है भाई?
Will have a trophy named after him.
एंटनी है क्या?
Jadon Sancho will have a trophy named after him in terms of
ठीक है,
how do
जेडन
you become
सैंचो
the
वर्सेस
free-
एंटनी.
How do you become a free earner everywhere you go? This guy could not handle City after a point. Guardiola was like, okay, your attitude isn't great. We're giving you a deal, but this is all you're worth. No, I feel I'm more. Jao, you have Dortmund. Jao. Okay, you succeed at Dortmund. You come to United, you don't succeed there. You go to England, England managers don't want you. Only place he has actually worked is Dortmund. That's it.
यार तुम्हारा एक प्लेयर है ना एंटनी करके,
I think
एंटनी करके तुम्हारा एक प्लेयर है ना.
No, I think
अरे वो 100 मिलियन वाला, वो कौन है? एंटनी है ना.
Anthony left.
Anthony, Anthony versus Jadon Sancho. I mean, why are you keeping Anthony still? I mean, does he because he trains
sell
well, or because he
sell?
had decent opportunities, or
How do you sell him?
how do you sell him?
You
मतलब आप भी लॉस में ही सेल किए ना यार सांचो को भी.
Sancho को भी तो लॉस में ही सेल किया ना. They had a similar
Very
prices.
small loss. With Anthony, you'll have a much bigger loss. See, the prorating happens this way. Sancho is 3.5 years into his contract, right? So the
I think
dialing down is much
he was
easier.
75 5 years, so he was like 30 million around his
So
book
he's
value.
holding for about 25 is what we'll lose 5 at most.
Yeah,
that's
you will lose
fine.
5-10. Yeah,
But
Anthony.
with this guy, you'd have to sell him for nearly 50. Where are you going to get 50 for him?
हाँ, book value ज़्यादा
Can't be
है.
done, यार.
तुम लोग इसको भी 2 साल रखोगे फिर.
हाँ, इसको रखना पड़ेगा. इसको तो रखना पड़ेगा. Unless you pay off his contract or someone in Saudi is mad enough, you'll have to keep him.
So Ritik,
But by the way, his first season wasn't as bad. His second season is the one where he
he scored continuously in first 4 games. I remember that.
और डोमेस्टिक अब्यूजर भी. Allegedly.
That's very unfair. I mean, there has to be a line drawn on all of this bullshit. Where even the cops don't charge you, then you can't do this bullshit.
No,
Otherwise,
no,
आपकी चेल्सी में रेपिस्ट की लाइन पड़ी हुई थी जो कभी बात नहीं करता।
no, Nikhil, there's a difference between cheaters and rapists. Different.
No.
John Terry was
No,
a cheater.
I'll tell you what happens. I'll tell you what happens with all of this because आप लोग गांव लेवल क्लब हो, हम लोग ग्लोबल क्लब हैं।
Oh.
ये स्टैंडर्ड सिर्फ हम पे अप्लाई होते हैं, आप लोगों पे अप्लाई ही नहीं होते। आप लोगों के प्लेयर्स के बारे में कोई पूछता ही नहीं है। वहाँ पे थॉमस पार्टी has allegations against him in 2 different countries. He keeps playing for Arsenal.
वो Arsenal है, हाँ.
Nobody raises a question. There have been Chelsea players have had fucking racism charges. Liverpool players have racism charges. No one cares. Only United.
उसको कैप्टन बना दिया.
The rest of you are only a Hamlet. Your
Yeah.
clubs
So
are a Hamlet.
Nikhil will discuss all these things. थोड़ा बहुत दूसरे क्लब के बारे में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं.
नहीं पाल एक बार बता देता
हाँ.
हूँ कि हम लोग
Yeah,
मान
but
रहे
हमारे
ना we have to
last-
understand this कि we are not at the Manchester United level कि उतना हम लोग का global
वो
presence
तो है ही
है
नहीं.
नहीं.
We accept that. वो तो
मतलब
कभी
we
नहीं
accept that.
सकते.
I mean we have
No,
to,
it's
but
not just global, brother. If you look at the Greenwood controversy, it's not global fans that sank him. Global fans wanted him to stay because they don't give a shit, right?
Yeah.
It's the local.
Yeah.
Right, and it was city after city after city because in each city you still have more United fans than any other fans, right?
Perfectly right, Nikhil.
Yeah,
सही,
they
बिल्कुल
destroyed.
सही.
They were like, he can, and this was a statement that was quite common. He can play for any other club. He cannot play for Manchester. Simple as that.
and
Yeah,
also
yeah.
Mason Greenwood is flying actually.
I think he
Out
is
of
the
context
star.
बता देता हूँ.
Every
He's a
day
star.
of my life,
He's the
I wake
actual
up,
star, Nikhil.
I
He's the
have that
actual
memory
star.
in my mind when I woke up and I saw that post and I said, "Yeah."
निखिल मैं मतलब थोड़ा
Oh.
एग्जेजरेशन लगेगा दिनेश को, बस मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर मेसन ग्रीनवुड के साथ ये कांड नहीं हुआ होता ना, जो सिचुएशन हुई है, मतलब जो लमीन यमाल की इस टाइम तारीफ हो रही है ना, he could have been at that level, जो लमीन यमाल वाला हो
He's
रहा
a crazy talent. By the way, वो French league को ना वो अकेले मार देता है.
हाँ अभी मार रहा है वो वैसे.
Literally, he
मार ही
will
रहा है,
destroy
मार-
that league alone by
वो मतलब बाहर से
Bro
वो
ये
bangers
क्या बोल
भर
रहे
रहा
थे,
है.
मार ही रहे.
हाँ तो बैंगर्स भर रहा है ब्रो.
He will
Bangers भर रहा है क्या? ठीक है.
PSG will be able to stop him if even PSG can stop him. Outside
मतलब
of
मैं-
PSG वो सबकी जान ले लेगा.
मैं
He's
मतलब
just too good.
दिनेश तेरे को याद है, मैं तेरे को 6 महीने से बोल रहा हूँ
हाँ.
कि अगर किसी कोई स्ट्राइकर अगर चेल्सी को चाहिए ना,
हाँ.
तो ब्रिंग ग्रीनवुड बैक. We have racists in our club, so मतलब I don't care now. So Nikhil, enough about United. Just last point about United I want to ask you is, where do you see United finishing this
Yeah.
season? And we also give our predictions कि United कहाँ finish
Listen,
करेगी
last
अभी.
time also I told you my hope is top 4. I don't think it will be top 4, but my hope is top 4. I've not given up on that in 3 games.
Yeah, but realistically still.
You're somewhere in the Europa spots.
Dinesh, your prediction?
एक्चुअली मेरा तो टॉप 4 किया था जो सीजन स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का. तो मैंने देख के आई थिंक दे वुड, मेरे को लगा कि दे वुड सॉर्ट दीज थिंग्स आउट, एटलीस्ट दी सेंटर बैक पोजीशन. मेरे को पता नहीं था कि वो गोल तो खाएंगे नहीं, इसलिए मतलब सॉरी गोल तो मार नहीं सकते बट वो खाएंगे नहीं, मेरे को ये लगा था एक्चुअली. बट इसलिए मैंने टॉप फोर्थ मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड मैंने
But if you want to change it now, तो
आई
अभी
थिंक
क्या रहेगा
मैं भी
तेरा?
वही है ना अभी 5th 6th. आई थिंक आई वुड गो फॉर 5th 6th.
मेरा होगा probably 7th 8th, क्योंकि विला, न्यूकैसल, ब्राइटन, ये वाली जो टीम्स है ना, इनसे स्ट्रगल करने में बहुत मेहनत है in this.
It
And
is,
you
but
have
it
more
is,
matches also.
But ये
You are-
थोड़ा सा ना, ये थोड़ा अक्टूबर नवंबर में ही पता लगेगा.
Yeah.
Settle down only.
Yeah, so from one Reds to another Reds, other Red being in London, North London, probably. So Nikhil, how do you see Arsenal the first 3 games and their transfer window also? कि मतलब कैसे लग रहे हैं Arsenal आपको first 3 games देख के? क्योंकि Arsenal have been good first 2, मतलब they have been good in patches, but completely they have not dominated the games.
Bro,
So how do you see
that's the
Arsenal
thing with them?
in comparison to City also, because City is flying. City doesn't fly in the
But
start of the
that
season
surprised
normally.
me. I didn't think
Yeah.
City would be flying. I didn't think City
Mm.
were flying the way they are, but
Yeah.
they are absolutely flying, right?
Yeah.
Arsenal. If you look at Arsenal, like in the end, even last season, the core point was the defensive structure and the defensive record, right? The defensive structure is still excellent. It's
Yeah.
still there. But to me, I don't know if you guys are feeling this. Sometimes it feels like they allow themselves to get pushed too far back for too long a period in a game. They don't need to because they've got good enough players. They can go further forward. Goals all seem to be coming from Saka. Yeah, outside of Saka, there doesn't seem to be that much of a creation mechanism right now.
Or set
Odegaard,
pieces.
sorry,
नहीं ओडेगार्ड ने स्टार्ट नहीं किया सीजन अच्छा उसके
Or
बाद
set pieces.
but set pieces they were always the best, right?
Yeah.
They've been number 1 set pieces 2 seasons running. I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I mean I would agree to this. I would agree to
Here's
this.
the truth. They would have also had 3 wins in 3, but for that red card. And it's not an unfair red card. It's just he went mad. He made a mistake, and that's a red card. Tough luck. I've seen Diego Dallo get 2 yellow cards for the same play in a game against Liverpool. once.
Yeah.
Martinelli.
मार्टिनेली भी तो
Martinelli, I
So
remember.
if this is how referees are going to go about it,
और ये अपना
Bro, but I want to say something larger, okay? Refereeing over the last 2.5, 3 years,
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं समझ आता anymore. I can't even begin to understand.
निखिल मैंने बस लास्ट एपिसोड में एक जोक मारा था कि रेफरी इंग्लिश रेफ्स आर लाइक मोदी जी नाउ फॉर अस कि है ना मोदी जी से अब हमें कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं रही है सिमिलरली
Expectation की बात ही नहीं है. वो जो बोल दे वही करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ रेफ से भी मुझे कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है दोनों जैसा कर रहे हैं करने दो मैं कुछ करने की चेंज नहीं कर सकता इसमें आई हैव
But VAR, यार,
एक्सेप्टेंस
VAR,
फेज में
one
मैं आ
second.
चुका हूँ
Last season they ruined one City derby for us. Did you see the penalty they gave against Hoyland on Rodri in a corner? They he had his arm around. Every corner has that play. Yeah? Every corner has that play.
सिटी को मिलता है City
By
को
the way,
मिलता है।
by the way, one
और
second.
ये
Not
जेरेमी
as-
डोकू ने
ref had
लिवरपूल
given
का
that.
देखा उसने लात
Ref-
मारा मैकलिस्टर पे
The ref had not given that. VAR specifically said ये आगे दो यार.
हाँ।
ये दो।
अरे वो सबसे बड़ा हॉरिबल क्या था कि वो जो
रॉड्री का हाथ लगा था ब्रो याद नहीं है क्या रॉड्री का वो टाइटल सीजन में जा रहे
अबे
थे
रॉड्री का
लिवरपूल
हाथ तू भूल गया क्या जैक ग्रिलिश का जो हाथ था उसने पूरा ऐसे हाथ चेल्सी के अगेंस्ट ही था शायद
Yeah.
आई मीन हॉरिबल मतलब ऐसे किया उसने लिटरली
yeah.
और मतलब जो सबसे खतरनाक मेरे को लगा कि वो लिवरपूल फैंस को पता नहीं कितना बुरा लगा होगा जो जेरेमी डोकू ने सीधा चक्के लात मारा बॉल तक तो उसने छुआ भी नहीं सीधा यहाँ पे छाती पे लात मारा उसके मैकलिस्टर ऐसे दिखा रहा है यहाँ पे स्टड्स लगा हुआ है रेफरी बोलता कुछ
वो मेरे को वो 2010 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल का वो नाइजल डियोंग की याद आ गई मेरे को वो नाइजल डियोंग ने जाबी अलोंसो पे जो
जाबी अलोंसो को मारा था अरे उसने ऐसे दिखा था वो पे स्टड्स छपे थे फिर भी उसने रेफरी ने मतलब कुछ भी नहीं उसने सोचा कि 50-50 बॉल है
हाँ वही हम
Crazy,
मतलब जो
crazy.
राइट विंग अकाउंट्स ऐसे क्रिटिसाइज करते रहते हैं ना मोदी जी को करंटली है ना मोदी जी क्यों कर रहे हो सिर्फ refs क्यों कर रहे हो नो एक्सप्लेनेशन
Yeah, it's not even that. मेरे को तो rules ही नहीं है. Like, now तो literally I'm like, भाई क्या है क्या नहीं मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता है.
भाई कुछ बज़वर्ड्स ला देते देगा इस बार लेटर ऑफ द लॉ ला दिया इफ यू थिंक अबाउट द लेटर ऑफ द लॉ देन इट्स अ रेड कार्ड बट इफ यू अप्लाई कॉमन सेंस देन मे बी इट्स बट एक और चीज में मतलब जो चेल्सी की जो यूएस की मतलब वहां पे हुआ था इसको डबल येलो नहीं मिला था उसको बोल रहे भाई वहां पे उसने कॉमन सेंस अप्लाई किया भाई वहां पे लेटर ऑफ द लॉ क्यों नहीं लगाया
फिल ह्यूज को जो सेकंड उसने खींच लिया था
ना उसने
इट वाज अ सेकंड येलो फॉर चेल्सी
भाई वो गोल स्कोरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी था यार
हां
मेरे को नहीं रेफ समझ आता बट
I'm just
Arsenal
fed
like
up.
you asked me I think Arsenal still have the defensive structure I think Arsenal will be fine you just have to wait for City to start dropping points a little bit
नो बट फाइन इन द सेंस कि वो सेकंड थर्ड के लिए फाइन है बट विल दे बिल टाइटल के लिए
यार,
जो
आज-
मतलब
आज-
आग लग रही है आर्सेनल फैंस के अंदर अब
so they haven't started like
will they quench that fire
no they haven't started like last season
yeah
okay they haven't started like last season firstly and secondly they didn't go and get what I thought was the thing that they were lacking last time which was one guaranteed kind of goal score one demonic goal scorer they don't have that right so they're also a little low on goals this season if you look at it okay you got a 2-0 start but you had problems against was it Wolves was the draw 1-1 or who was the
नहीं
draw
हमारा तो I mean 2-0 I think and then
the 2-0 is decent but the 1-1 you don't create enough chances otherwise right but they do play out of a press well I mean they played out of the Brighton press quite well throughout that game but this Brighton press is also a little different this is not a deservy press
ये अलग है मतलब I mean it's a different sort of a different form of a
trying to
Brighton
be more careful about the press now. I think it's sort of going through back to the circle, right? That the press once it gets beaten, teams are getting crushed once you break through the press. So now the press is also becoming a little bit more careful.
I mean but teams जो अभी हो रहा है ना अभी मतलब the level between the teams have dropped drastically मतलब जो higher teams और lower teams है मतलब बहुत
Bro,
गंदा
when is
अभी
De Bruyne getting injured? Because if De Bruyne doesn't get injured, then we're screwed. Then it's over.
हाँ मतलब वो
Haaland
मतलब
also.
सिटी
हालैंड तो वैसे ही बहुत कम इंजरी होती है बट De Bruyne तो कम से कम 3 महीने बाहर बैठता है तब तुम्हारे थोड़े एक रॉड्री भी 1-2 गेम्स निकल
अब
जाएगा
वो गुंडोगान भी आ गया
those are the point caps that you get
Gundogan came Savio is a baller Savio
मतलब उनको मतलब एग्जैक्टली राइट मतलब उनके जो मैं
he
वही
got
बता रहा हूँ ना
injured
तो
as
उनका
well, right?
डिफेंस
He didn't
उनका जो
play that
सेकंड टीम है वही देख ले यार
हाँ.
मैं वही बता रहा हूँ, वैसे सिटी जितना क्वालिटी सेकंड टीम ही नहीं है किसी के पास।
और उनके पास सबसे मेन एडवांटेज वाली बात है कि है ना, जो भी प्लेयर्स हैं उनके, दे कैन प्ले मल्टीपल पोजीशंस। तो
हाँ
सिल्वा को तुम विंग खिला लो, सिल्वा को तुम मिडफील्ड खिला लो, ही कैन प्ले एनीवेयर। कोवाचिच को तुम 6 खिला लो,
भाई
कोवाचिच
लेफ्ट
को
बैक
तुम
भी
8,
खिला चुका है वो बर्नार्डो सिल्वा
हाँ
को।
हाँ, कोवाचिच को तुम 8
Well,
खिला
you
लो,
talk
यू कैन
about
प्ले एनीवेयर।
spending money on a player and then being forced to play him. These guys had $100 million Grealish, £100 million Grealish,
बेंच
right?
में
Bruno benched him for 6 months, didn't play him. He takes them to the treble and benched him all of last season again. Last season सिर्फ दारू पी लौंडे ने और कुछ नहीं किया.
एंड द मेन एडवांटेज दे हैव ऑन द विंग्स करंटली इज कि उनके पास दोनों टाइप के विंगर्स हैं अभी करंटली। उनके पास डायरेक्ट वाले विंगर्स भी हैं जो डोकू और सेवियो है, और उनको गेम कंट्रोल करना है, थोड़ा मतलब स्लो डाउन द पेस करना है, पेस को स्लो डाउन करना है, तो उनके पास ग्रिलिश और बर्नार्डो सिल्वा भी है विंग्स पे खिलाने के लिए।
Bro, this is
तो
what
उनके पास
happens.
सब कुछ है।
This is what happens when you didn't follow PSR, like you blew PSR, etc. out of the water. They just piled up talent. They just kept piling up talent.
and also I mean
वही चेल्सी भी वही करने का ट्राई कर रही है।
Yeah, but then you need a, you know, so in this criticism of City, what I don't like is the belittling of Guardiola, because then you also need a Guardiola.
yeah, of course. I mean but it's not the same case for Liverpool fans. लिवरपूल फैंस का तो है कि क्लॉप, अगर क्लॉप को ये स्क्वाड दे देंगे वो भी यही जीतेगा, मतलब वैसे है। मतलब they try to be little, they
I
try to
really
be
rate
little his
Klopp a
legacy.
lot. I rate Klopp a lot, but I don't think Klopp is the guy who can win 3 in a row, 4 in a row, because Klopp's players now after one season, he runs them into the ground. The next season is always a.
तभी आर्टेटा ने भी अपना प्लेइंग स्टाइल चेंज किया। इफ यू रिमेंबर, आर्टेटा दो सीजन पहले वो पूरा गंग हो जा रहा था, उसका प्रेस बहुत हाई था, पर करंटली ही ऑलवेज सिट इन अ 4-4
ये
टू
बात हमारे
मिड
टकले को
ब्लॉक।
भी समझा दो ना यार, पागल करके रखा, भगाया
वो
जा रहा, भगाया जा
4-4
रहा.
आर्टेटा का
बाकी रहती है,
निखिल,
भगाया जा रहा, भगाया जा रहा है.
आप एमरी का स्टाइल देख लो, आप आर्टेटा का स्टाइल देख लो। एमरी और आर्टेटा करंटली 4-4-2 खेल रहे हैं दोनों के
नहीं
दोनों।
वही बता रहे हैं,
मिड
सुना ही
ब्लॉक
नहीं।
4-4-2। नहीं मैं समझ गया, वो टेनाक को बोल दो, पर वो नहीं सुन रहा है।
वो तो सुन ही नहीं रहा वैसे भी। वो
सबसे
मतलब
बड़ी बेइज्जती टेनाक की वो थी कि क्लॉप, मतलब जो स्लॉट ने उसका गेम प्लान है पूरा एक्सपोज कर दिया सबके
नहीं
सामने
यार,
दुनिया के बारे में।
so that exposed जो वो कह रहे हो ना आप, that's a very standardized kind of analysis of a 4-2-4 defensive.
नो बट ही गेव देम द ब्लूप्रिंट टू अदर टीम्स कि तुम ऐसे अटैक करोगे तो तुम यू कैन सक्सीड।
Everybody knows this blueprint. This is not a magical blueprint. They know what the difference is. You know what the difference is that he said. He said you need runners in midfield. I had
Exactly.
runners. Right now, what does he say? He says my forwards are always up top. So boss, हमारे भी वही कर रहे हैं ना यार. तुम्हारा फर्क है कि तुम्हारे भागते हैं वापस. That's all it was.
करेक्ट।
जो structural analysis जो है वो कोई इतना magical analysis नहीं है. वो आपकी work rate पे depend करता है.
वर्क रेट एक्चुअली एवरीथिंग है, टैलेंट आईडी, मतलब कैसा टैलेंट है किस हिसाब से, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से
So those
यूनाइटेड
are the things that I think United are getting better at this summer, right? These are decent additions. Euro is a decent addition. De Ligt is a decent addition. Xerxes looks like a decent addition, right? And you bought a couple that are younger for the future kind of players.
Yeah.
That's fine. It's okay. This is how you should have a window, right? And you got rid of a lot of dead wood. There's a
You
lot more
can't
dead
change
wood.
everything in a window.
नहीं मतलब वही है ना, आई थिंक
nowhere near a title challenge for 3 seasons minimum.
yeah, I think that's why they're backing, that's why your I mean the Manchester United जो management है, it's now they are now backing Ten Hag.
Yeah, but what if Southampton pop them out of the park?
What if
भले नहीं, भले ही चाहे
I agree.
What if this
भले
goes
नहीं, I'm saying कि भले ही चाहे they win.
Bro,
भले
let
ही
me
चाहे
put it this
United
way.
win
Let me
1-0.
put it this way.
पर I just saying, remember निखिल, Burnley वाला last
बिल्कुल
game,
सही कह रहे हो आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो.
Burnley वाला just remember
आप
the last
बिल्कुल
game.
100% सही कह रहे हो. मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ, हमारी जो next 7 Premier League games है ना, every United fan looks at them and says, this is trouble. Like this is a really bad run. Palace is not an easy game. Glasner has his team playing really well. Villa, Spurs. Okay, there's 2 or 3 more which are classic banana skin games of the time.
Oh, अच्छा, you have okay.
And the 10th game in that is Chelsea. Okay, so that's another tough game. So you could, I'm looking at this going, looking at 7 games in a row. I generally think he'll sort enough out so that you don't lose. But you could, what he doesn't do is draw games. So you could win 3, lose 4, win 4, lose 3.
Yeah.
You know, so
draw games.
so where are you then? Yeah, like where are you then? That kind of
90 प्लस में तुम लोग बहुत ज्यादा खाने लगे ना लास्ट में, मतलब
There was a stat. Yeah, there was a stat going, Nikhil, you saw that?
6.
Yeah,
times, bro.
same stat. 6 times under Ten Hag and 2
Right?
times since
6
Premier
times
League.
after 90. How many times after 80?
That वो नहीं देखा मैंने.
21.
Oh fuck. So लेकिन टफ गेम से याद आया, अभी जो टफ गेम्स हैं वो आर्सेनल के सामने बहुत ज्यादा टफ गेम्स आने वाले. आर्सेनल हैज नॉर्थ लंदन डार्बी नेक्स्ट गेम, उसके बाद उनका अटलांटा अवे शायद दिनेश या इंटर मिलान अवे, दोनों में से एक अवे है।
इंटर मिलान है।
इंटर मिलान अवे है और उसके बाद दे प्ले सिटी एंड दे क्या दे
City in the league or
लीग
in the
लीग
league.
लीग
Oh, what about what? No, there's a Carling Cup game in between, boss. There'll be some relief.
अच्छा वो भी होगा कुछ
वो
तो
छोटा है
होगा।
छोटा है वो छोटा है वो
ठीक है, but there's some relief there.
Yeah.
Okay, I
तो
mean,
आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि अगर इफ दे ड्रॉप पॉइंट अगेंस्ट टॉटनम, तो अगर ड्रॉ भी करा लिया उन्होंने टॉटनम से तो 4 पॉइंट्स दे आर बिहाइंड, एंड अगेन अगर इफ सिटी बीट देम तो 7
I
पॉइंट
get you.
बिहाइंड। तो
नहीं नहीं,
बहुत
एक्चुअली
ज्यादा
तो
है।
ये
I
समझ
get
नहीं
what
रहा
you're
है,
saying.
सिटी
The
ने भी
field should
बहुत
come
बड़े
out.
बड़े टीम से खेलना अभी तक खेला नहीं है, एस्टन
नहीं,
विला के साथ खेला
करेक्ट
नहीं है।
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट।
हाँ।
मैं बस एक सिनेरियो तेरे को बता रहा
एक्चुअली
था,
तेरे को
not
पता है
in
ना, प्रीमियर
negative
लीग में प्रीमियर लीग में तेरे को बड़े टीम्स को हराने की जरूरत नहीं है, बड़े टीम्स में
completely
ज्यादातर
agree,
हाँ।
Yeah, but you
नहीं,
can't lose to all of them also.
नो नो
मैं बस-
नॉट लूज, आई एम सेइंग नॉट
No, no,
लूज, आई एम
दिनेश
सेइंग
दिनेश बस मैं कंप्लीटली एक सिनारियो तेरे को बता रहा था, जस्ट सिंपल सिनारियो, नॉट इन नेगेटिव वे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बस सिनारियो ये है कि इफ टू ड्रू टू टॉटनम व्हिच इज अ डिसेंट रिजल्ट, नॉर्थर्न डार्बी ड्रू टू
Yeah.
टॉटनम डिसेंट रिजल्ट, यू आर 4 पॉइंट बिहाइंड,
Hmm.
ठीक है, और अगर सिटी से वो वाला मैच अगर हार गए तो यू विल बी 7 पॉइंट बिहाइंड।
You're not making up that gap.
पर करंटली 7 पॉइंट बिहाइंड आफ्टर 5 गेम्स, आफ्टर गेम वीक 5, इट आई थिंक इट्स अ बिग लीड, मतलब तुम एनकम्पास कर सकते हो।
You can,
You can,
but the
but you
problem
are
is it
putting,
also
you are
means
putting pressure there. You're
no,
not
no,
on
but
your
it also
themselves in the
means
so early.
you haven't been playing well, right? So you have to
Yeah.
first raise your floor first. You have to raise your floor and ceiling first,
और
and
फिर
then you start
उसके बाद
winning
you have to be flawless, और उसके बाद तुम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते आगे।
And
That's the only point.
I would think that Rice is out definitely for the North London derby,
Yeah.
या
right? But he's only one game ban, right? Only
वन
one game.
गेम
Ban.
ही
One game, one game.
So he's back at least for the City game.
Yeah.
या सिटी गेम।
Yeah, City game, Champions League game, he'll be back. Yeah.
आई थिंक जो मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स
हाँ।
बट जो हमेशा जो इवन पिछले सीजन को सिटी को भी देख लेना, आई थिंक वो मतलब आर्सेनल के दे लॉस्ट अगेंस्ट आर्सेनल, फिर दे ड्रू अगेंस्ट
Yeah.
आर्सेनल, फिर उसके मतलब ऐसा होता है कि जो बड़ी टीम्स होते हैं जो जैसे होते हैं, यू कैन मे बी यू कैन ओके विद अ ड्रॉ एंड ओके विद अ विन,
हाँ, तो मतलब draw is mandatory in
मतलब
that
नॉट
case for
अगेंस्ट
you.
टॉटनहम, आई एम सेइंग, आई मीन टॉटनहम तो बड़ी टीम में कंसीडर नहीं करता।
Yeah,
नहीं,
you have
पर-
to get 3 there.
मैं
पर मैं-
लिवरपूल
पर मैं
मैनचेस्टर
बोल-
सिटी बोल रहा हूँ, लिवरपूल और
हाँ,
मैनचेस्टर
पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर तुमने टॉटनहम के अगेंस्ट ड्रॉ किया तो यू हैव टू गेट अ ड्रॉ अगेंस्ट सिटी।
Yeah,
That's the only
true.
point. Minimum draw तुम्हें कर लेना ही
No, they
पड़ेगा।
have to get 3 points. against-
मिनिमम सम पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू गेट,
Yeah, you have
पॉइंट्स
to
तो
take
लेने
something
पड़ेंगे।
out of that game.
Yeah,
अगर
exactly.
otherwise the lead is too
ब्रो
much
अगर
currently.
हमने सीरियसली बता रहा हूँ, अगर हमने टॉटनहम और मैन सिटी जो 6 पॉइंट्स है उसमें से हमने 4 पॉइंट्स भी ला दिया ना, इट्स अ वेरी गुड, मतलब हमारा जो स्टार्ट ऑफ द सीजन है,
करेक्ट परफेक्ट,
आई
बहुत
मीन
अच्छा है।
वी प्लेड एस्टन विला, वी प्लेड ब्राइटन, वी प्लेड एस्टन विला अवे, सॉरी, ओके, ब्राइटन एट होम,
By the way,
एंड देन
I saw that game fully. That was a very good win. And because Villa were bloody good, that Morgan Rogers was phenomenal. There were times at which they had Arsenal on the mat, but when Arsenal, what, you know,
Ollie Watkins नहीं होता था।
Leandro Trossard is like a magic dick. Like the guy is incredible. How many important goals does Trossard score for you? He transferred in, and that
He
was a
scored
big,
11
that was
last
a
season.
very important goal.
मतलब उसकी वजह से ही हम हारे भी हैं पिछले सीजन, उसको एक टैप इन मिला था, उसने भर दिया उसके मार्टिनेज के हाथ में
He's
यार,
given you enough points.
yeah.
But
But he could have liked to given us the
हाँ,
big
पर
biggest
तभी
point.
पर
that
हाँ,
particular game when he breaks through, right, from that point on Arsenal dominated, right?
Yeah.
And it was about 25 minutes or so, they completely dominated.
या एक इशू आर्सेनल ये भी फेस कर रही है कि अनलेस एंड अंटिल दे ब्रेक डाउन द टीम, तो कभी वो आर्सेनल है ना लो ब्लॉक्स को ब्रेक डाउन नहीं कर पा रही है अभी अच्छे से करंटली।
Yeah, but I think
नहीं वो होता है, वो मैच की स्टार्टिंग में होता है, starting में
हाँ,
होता
नहीं
है।
तो अनलेस यू गॉट द फर्स्ट गोल अगेंस्ट, मतलब जैसे तुम सेट पीस से अगर तुमने गोल नहीं मिला ना, तो मतलब एज द गेम प्रोग्रेसेस तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता जाता है करंटली
ये सीजन में तो नहीं हुआ, वो
एंड
पिछले
देन यू हैव
season में हुआ
प्रेशर
था।
कि मुझे स्कोर करना है वरना मैं 2 पॉइंट लूज कर जाऊंगा तो सिटी और आगे निकल जाएगा।
देखो यार,
इट्स अ लॉन्ग सीजन, इट्स अ
देखो यार,
वेरी लॉन्ग
margins
सीजन।
होते हैं, मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ,
Yeah.
last season when United played Arsenal early on, right? If the Garnacho goal is not chalked off for offside, a millimeter offside, right? And you're 2-1 down. I mean, perhaps you don't end up with that crazy melee in United's box from which Rice scores, right? And the third goal is a giveaway because United are just chasing the fourth goal, right?
जीसस ऐसे भाग भाग के
Yeah, so basically you end up with a very different kind of start to the season, and in inches, like it's microscopic, right? So I think Spurs have started at times. Spurs can be
Same,
up and down.
Spurs have started
It can be up
Spursy
and-
way.
Yeah, they're up and down. They're up and down. If they turn up very well, then they're very difficult to play. They're very difficult to play.
Yeah, I mean they're
Because
difficult
Ange
to.
doesn't have the quality to play his style there. Same. He doesn't have the quality technicians on the front line to play his style.
I don't think about quality.
क्योंकि
Yeah,
no
it's not
क्योंकि
as if he had-
टर्नओवर्स बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं
It's
इनके,
not as
बहुत
if he
ज्यादा
had
टर्नओवर्स
great
होते हैं
quality
उनके.
technicians in freaking Scotland, right? Like all he had was the gap between his team and the other team was too much, right?
Ah,
He doesn't
yeah.
have that anymore, right? So I look. He plays a fairly risky style. Ten Hag
Yeah.
plays a fairly risky style. Mota plays a fairly risky style. It's not good enough. It doesn't
Even
work.
Xabi Alonso plays very
That's right.
risky.
It's not good enough. It does not work. It does
I
not.
think Ten Hag this season वो अभी काफी वो मतलब
He'll
फुलहम
temper
के
it down,
अगेंस्ट.
yeah.
हाँ.
He'll temper it down. Look, already the shots on goal is reduced, the XG is
हाँ.
reduced. It will XG against.
क्योंकि फुलहम के अगेंस्ट ऑलमोस्ट आपका जो डिफेंसिव लाइन था वो ऑलमोस्ट हाफ में था, मतलब यू प्रेस्ड, मतलब यहाँ पे था.
जो 3 गेम का स्टैट है यूनाइटेड के लिए कि दे आर 17th ऑन द बैक लाइन. दे आर 17th इन द लीग.
This is the problem.
जिसकी
This is
सबसे
the
पीछे
problem
लाइन
of
है.
Brexit.
जिसकी सबसे पीछे लाइन है.
नहीं बट मैं
This is the
फर्स्ट मैच पे
problem
बोल रहा हूँ
with
फुलहम में.
हाँ.
फुलहम में तो वो लोग हाफ में थे.
हाँ. Patches of the match.
So what you pointed out is the problem. If you want to play a 3-1-6 like that build up, you
Yeah,
can't
you
be this
can't-
deep.
Exactly, you have too many holes in the midfield then.
Then you
हाँ.
यार आपने कॉम्पैक्ट करना है, या तो आप अपनी बैकलाइन को
आगे लाओ.
कॉम्पैक्ट कर लो, या आप मिडफील्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड लाइन को पीछे लाओ. कॉम्पैक्ट अदरवाइज तो आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो, ये एक होगी और एक ये लाइन होगी तो खत्म हो गया यार. अपने
इसलिए असली पता है वो जब वो कैसेमिरो जो बॉल लूज करता है ना,
माइनो मतलब मर जाते हैं वो मिडफील्ड में ब्रो. मर जाते हैं वो, दे लिटरली डाई इन दैट मिडफील्ड कि कोई है ही नहीं, ना आगे वाले सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं ना पीछे वाले सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
मतलब जो वो पीछे
he
जो.
has to change it. Otherwise he's gone. I mean it's as simple as that. I mean if he doesn't want to change it, he's gone.
But again, I mean,
Yeah.
Ten Hag has backed Casemiro, and I think he has also said some. I think that is a very good. मेरे को वो मैनेजर चाहिए, मतलब जो ऐसे बोले, मतलब हगने के बाद भी, I have trusted him. I know his quality. I know he
यार
will
उसने-
bounce back.
he
मतलब
has
वो अच्छा लगता है
always-
सुनने में.
He has always supported Casemiro.
Yeah.
The only thing that happened was he dropped him for the FA Cup final. Casemiro wasn't happy about that, but tough luck. You weren't playing well enough, and their choice turned out to be correct. Amrabat played a good FA Cup final, right?
Yeah, strategy मतलब बहुत अच्छा वो, मतलब वो उसका था
I
कि
think he needs
उसका
to be
रोल
very
क्या था,
frank
उसको
about all
परफेक्ट
this.
पता था.
He needs to be frank about all of this and accept that if he's going to play Casemiro, he has to basically, for all the time that he's relying on Casemiro, he has to defer the imposition of the game style that he wants.
Perfect.
There is no other way to do it.
Yeah.
There is no other way to do it.
बट उगाटे के साथ भी कुछ सीन्स हुए थे ना कि वो कॉलर पकड़ के खींच रहा था, मतलब कुछ पंगा हुआ हुए.
That video you saw?
Yeah, he's South American. He's hot-headed. यार वो तो होना ही है. You know that fear with Ugarte. At Arsenal, you had one very good combative Uruguayan midfielder.
हाँ,
हाँ,
टोरेरा.
समझ गया. क्या क्या?
Who was it?
टोरेरा.
टोरेरा.
Torreira. Torreira.
भाई उसे 30 अगेंस्ट गोल देखा नहीं क्या?
Again, a decent player, right? Very combative player, decent player. But this is not a sixth who can run the game, right? So that's Ugarte.
Yeah.
Ugarte can run the game. He has good long passing.
Yeah,
but
अगर वो खेला तो he will also die in that 3-1-6 निखिल.
it's not just, see, he'll have more legs. Maybe he'll die a lot less. All right, I'm not on that. But
हाँ, वो
he's
मैं.
not somebody who's going to help you circulate the ball around and
Yeah,
move up
yeah.
the pitch, right? वो तो नहीं कर पाएगा ना यार.
Actually वो ही है ना, वो चीज आप कोबी माइनो.
है ही नहीं उसमें.
नहीं.
हाँ, वो चीज आप कोबी माइनो से चाह रहे हो ना, वो एक्चुअली मेरे को लग रहा है कि
Michael Carrick, I'll take Carrick today.
यार कल कैरिक जो खेल रहा था सही
हाँ,
में
वही करना चाहिए ना, वही करना चाहिए, बट वो कोई कर नहीं पाता. मतलब क्रूज ये सब वही करते हैं, मतलब दे कंट्रोल द गेम्स.
सो सिंपल. मतलब यही ब्यूटी होती है प्लेयर्स की जो मतलब
दे अबे तो ऐसा लग रहा है तू कैरी का देख ना, उसके पास हमेशा वो अगर हाइलाइट्स देखो, मतलब हमेशा ऑप्शंस है.
You know the
Options
other
है.
things that he does, and the options because he's aware of options. He's that good at scanning it. Plus, he made a couple of diagonal passes that were actually very tough passes in a crowded area, but he makes them perfectly. Right, like that's all it is. And then it looks very simple. That's not a simple pass.
नहीं
That's
वही,
a killer
मतलब
pass.
मेरे को वही चाहिए कि कैरी कैनॉट, जैसे कोबी माइनो कैनॉट बी द मेन गाय,
He
राइट?
can't.
He
He's
can't
not-
be a Carrick.
Can't.
मतलब तुम
He's not a
उगाटे
Carrick. Yeah, he doesn't have the
उगाटे
pass.
कोबी माइनो और लेट्स से उगाटे कोबी माइनो और ब्रूनो में मेन
but-
गाय अभी कौन हुआ?
Now that we're
कोबी
talking
माइनो हुआ.
about Carrick,
तो
you know,
हाँ, पर कोबी माइनो की जो क्वालिटीज हैं वो 1% भी डिफेंसिव साइड में है ही नहीं.
नहीं यार, उल्टा
all
बोल
of
रहे
his
तो he
quality.
did a lot of defensive actions.
नहीं, डिफेंसिव करता है, डिफेंसिव करता
तो
है.
भागते तो सभी है निखिल.
नहीं,
भागता तो
भागने की
सभी.
बात नहीं है सर. He has a lot of great defensive
No, he
actions.
doesn't have the positional awareness.
Positioning नहीं है उसका.
और he
अरे
doesn't
बाबा,
have and he
either you
doesn't have the
decide that's
passing.
because of Ten Hag or you decide that's because of Maino
No,
himself.
वो जो
No.
भी है निखिल, but the on the ball qualities I completely agree.
No,
On the ball
नहीं,
qualities उसकी
एक
बहुत
बंदा
ज्यादा है.
कंट्रोलिंग
Look
चाहिए
at
ना,
his
एक
defensive
बंदा.
actions, he's got a lot more defensive
और उसकी
actions
जो
than you imagine.
I'm just saying कि जो उसकी dribbling style है, there are two type of dribblers in the midfield. There are a Kovacic type of dribblers कि जो मतलब evade करते हैं players को. और दूसरे टाइप के जो ड्रिबलर्स होते हैं दे गो ऑन द प्लेयर, दे पाउंस ऑन द प्लेयर वन ऑन वन। तो कोबी माइनो हमेशा आइसोलेट करने का ट्राई करता है इन दी रिगल पास, और उसके बाद वो शूट लेने का ट्राई करता है। जो भी आपने 2-3 गोल देखे हैं उसके कोबी माइनो के, जो हाफ लाइन पे उसको बॉल मिली है और उसने ड्रिबल करने का ट्राई किया, वुल्व्स के अगेंस्ट जो गोल मारा था उसने प्रॉब्ली वो
आई थिंक कोबी माइनो में बता दूं
तो
simple
कोबी
बात।
माइनो की हाँ तो पीछे खेलने की क्वालिटी
मेरे को पता है कोबी माइनो क्यों मेरे अगर मैं खेल रहा हूँ ना
उसके पास आगे खेलने
Nobody
की
is
क्वालिटी
looking at
फिर भी है।
But I just want to say something. This because we brought up Carrick. This really irritates me about United. This is about institutional memory. Okay, the first manager in the league to turn to a proper controlling six because of how he wanted to go into Europe was in fact Fergie. He went from a Roy Keane to a Michael Carrick. Nicky brought Roy Keane to a Michael Carrick. He just changed the entire way of it. So this is how, and that lasted for a decade, more than a decade. Okay. How the hell does a club that recognizes how important that function is not buy a single player for that position? Ever since, I have not seen United buy a six of exactly that ilk since 2006. Maybe the closest would be Hargreaves. And Hargreaves got injured, right?
And probably उसके पहले आपके पास Paulins था. Paulins also was
बहुत
head
पहले
of
है, वो तो
हाँ.
छोड़ो, but look at our luck as well, right? Like he had a midfield of Hargreaves, Fletcher, Carrick, Scholes, all capable of that position.
Anderson.
Right? Anderson was always going to play further forward.
Forward
हाँ,
मतलब-
Right?
8 plus
So
था
I'm
वो.
talking about losing Fletcher to ulcerative colitis, and he was a really good player, Aaron Fletcher. Losing Hargreaves to permanent injuries. Scholes ages, you don't replace him. Carrick was left alone. And what did you go and get? You got the Schmidfield. You remember the Schmidfield? When you get Schneiderlin and
yeah
what do you call
Schweinsteiger. Schweinsteiger.
all very nice, but they were too old for this.
Old for that, yeah.
So it doesn't
नहीं,
work.
but Schneiderlin
Now you get rid of them.
young था उस time.
Now that Schneiderlin wasn't too old, but
हाँ.
Schneiderlin wasn't good enough, right? So he leaves.
एवर्टन में उसका पिछला वाला सीजन बहुत अच्छा गया था निखिल, वो वाला सीजन अगर आप याद
Yeah, but
करोगे तो.
Everton के लिए यार, when you
ये
have
क्वालिटी है ना
हाँ.
bad games, it
exactly.
doesn't matter, right? So आपने उनको छोड़ा, उसके बाद
हाँ.
आपने किया क्या? You got Matic. I understand the logic behind Matic, but Matic lasted what, season and a half, 2 seasons when he was physically capable. That's about it.
Perfect.
So this six that United have ignored constantly, right?
Yeah.
And this is the one purchase from Ineos this season where and this was an Ineos purchase. This is what every single publication is saying. This is a pure Ineos purchase. It's not a Ten Hag purchase. They had to convince Ten Hag on Ugarte.
Yeah, and it's still not that kind of a six.
yeah
It's not,
I mean Pal,
it's not.
Kobe-
B, it's a ball winner, pure ball winner, right? So
Yeah.
you have chosen this now. You can't now. Ten Hag has to make it work somehow or the other.
अबे देख कोबी माइनो ऐसा प्लेयर है ठीक है आई थिंक वो ही हैज मेनी गुड एट्रीब्यूट्स आई मीन डिफेंसिव इज नॉट हिज प्राइमरी एट्रीब्यूट बट उसको जो ब्यूटीफुल एबिलिटी ऑन द बॉल है वो क्या है ना तू मतलब सोच ले कि तू कैसेमीरो यू आर रिसीविंग द बॉल तू मतलब तू हमेशा कोबी माइनो को यू कैन ट्रस्ट एंड गिव हिम पास इनटू पास
Exactly, वो कर सकता है तू.
क्योंकि वो
But
उसके पास स्पेस है बट स्पेस वो
Space
देख
नहीं है
लेता
ही
है
नहीं, है ही
और वो उसके पास टाइम रहता है कि यू कैन
हाँ.
यू शुड रिसीव द बॉल अगेन फ्रॉम
I
हिम
think
I
what they are thinking.
नहीं, नहीं,
पिंग
एक
पोंग
point-
उसे
एक
पिंग
point-
पोंग लगाना है
हाँ,
उसे
I think
टका
the
टक टका
idea
टक
is- I think the idea is Ugarte and Maino have to be very close to each other in that midfield. That's what I
हाँ.
think they're
But
thinking.
Nikhil, Kobe Mino is not a box to box.
यार,
अगर-
what
अगर
is
उसको
he
box
meant
to
to
box
do?
खिलाओगे
पर
ना,
हर चीज में उसको
तो-
negate कर देता है यार.
Box to box तो नहीं है, उसके पास physicality नहीं है.
Firstly, Hitesh, you're completely wrong about his defensive actions. Go check his defensive statute.
नहीं वो अच्छे मतलब ही इज
He's
देयर
got
बट
a lot
नॉट
of- he's got a
ऑन
lot
पार
of
विद
No,
defensive actions.
no.
He's got a lot of defensive actions.
He's slow.
very important for us in the defensive third. He's made a lot of very important.
He is
contributions.
like Enzo on the defensive side, कि जो उसको लोग को हटा के निकल जाते हैं लोग. He's like Enzo on the defensive side. मैं Enzo.
No, I'm sorry, Enzo is your problem, not mine.
Yeah.
This is
No,
not
I'm just
Enzo on
saying.
the
I'm just
defensive
saying कि जो उसका defensive style है ना कि जो Enzo को धक्का
नहीं
देके लोग
बच्चे पे
निकल
ना
जाते हैं.
बच्चे मतलब आई थिंक यू शुड नॉट गिव दैट मच ऑफ अ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी at the
Yeah,
back for the
I agree.
Exactly.
So I think the most they're thinking is Ugarte sort of is that dog in midfield, and he gets the ball. He keeps it very simple passes to either Bruno or to Mainu. But the problem that you have, like Casemiro, bad in possession, can lose the ball. Bruno, the king of this, yeah, and this is running through your spine. How do you protect your spine if you have two players who can potentially lose the ball? Now Ugarte doesn't lose the ball. That's one thing with it. He doesn't lose the
okay
ball.
what about this 300k for Bruno contract
Yeah.
extension I mean
I would have been honestly, I would have been looking to sell him in the next 2 seasons for sure.
contract
sure.
extension, and then
Yeah, but
abhi-
you know, so 300K for Bruno is now fine because you've got rid of Varane, you've got rid of all of those wages, right? And eventually you will get rid of this Casemiro wage as well. So
Yeah.
one player you can have at that level, two players you can easily have that level, कोई problem नहीं.
No, but I think United made a huge mistake in retaining Bruno. कि मतलब you have to get past that Bruno phase now. कि अब Bruno से आगे बढ़ने का time आ गया है United का. क्योंकि you should play Mount in his position. Bruno doesn't help there.
नहीं, yeah, Mount doesn't produce enough. Bruno creates chances.
No, but
whatever you say, Bruno creates.
नहीं, but जो you less the pressing in that sense कि Bruno is not a good presser.
No,
He is a runner. He can run all day.
I
I'm not,
agree.
yeah.
I agree.
But लेकिन जो Mount वाली
I
pressing
see
है वो
that.
नहीं है
I
उसकी.
have a larger problem where
If you
with
combine Bruno and Mount, that
played
is a
very
good player.
very well against Brighton. Okay, he created chances against Brighton, decent against Fulham. Liverpool, man, there are at least 4 occasions on which you get past that midfield line. He's on the ball. He just has to find that last pass.
वो
आप
नहीं
वाला
किया
पास-
वो,
आपको वो वाला पास याद है निखिल कि
Which
राइट
he-
में 2 बंदे खाली थे
तो
and वो उसने
दिमाग
उधर-
मेरा फट गया था उस टाइम.
हाँ
फट गया था दिमाग मेरा.
वो हूफ बॉल वाला बंदा है निखिल.
Actually, वो
बॉल-
मेरे को
बॉल-
Yeah,
बड़ा-
I agree.
Bruno
he's a
made
hoofball
Trent
guy.
look a decent
I
defender.
completely
मतलब
agree. I completely agree.
मतलब
But the
control
10
करने में उसका
shouldn't-
1%
Our
योगदान नहीं
10
होता
will
है.
not be Mount though. You need a replacement high quality 10. I have a
Perfectly
feeling
agree,
it might
but
well turn out to
Bruno-
be Xerxes in the future.
लेकिन परफेक्ट निखिल आप कोई भी 10 देख लो आपके मतलब हमारे जमाने का आपके जमाने का और 5 साल 10 साल पहले का ये नंबर 10 हैज टू बी गुड ऑन अ बॉल. मतलब उसमें में कि मतलब उसके पास वो क्यूट और वो जो बॉल रिटेनिंग स्किल्स है वो होनी चाहिए. हमेशा कंट्रोल करना चाहिए उसे वो. लेकिन ब्रूनो के पास जैसे ही बॉल आता है ही जस्ट हूफ्ड इट अप. हमेशा हूफ्ड इट अप. तो वहां से यू कंप्लीटली लूज योर पोजीशन और उसके बाद फिर पीछे भागो.
Yeah. It's a big problem, boss.
Yeah.
In big matches, but he's a roulette wheel. Yeah. When it works really well.
हाँ तो बस मैं दिनेश वो लास्ट टाइम वही बोल रहे थे ना कि जितना पॉजिटिव है उससे ज्यादा नेगेटिव है. वही वाली
Roulette
बात
नहीं
wheel
है.
है,
मतलब
जो
if
चल पड़ता है,
everything
वो
if
जीत
everything
जाता
goes well, I think Bruno is one of the
Yeah.
best player in the pitch. If everything goes well.
And when it doesn't, he's a problem.
अब देख पोर्चुगल में उसका जो असिस्ट देखा होगा तूने अभी पोर्चुगल वर्सेस इसमें डालो के असिस्ट वाला वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल असिस्ट था भाई.
हाँ
उसे
वो
ऑलमोस्ट
मैजिक वाला मोमेंट है.
हाँ
तो वो कब
वो-
आएगा उसके
मतलब
लिए
उसको
कितना वेट करोगे
उसको
तुम?
कवर चाहिए.
Wait,
ब्रूनो को
wait,
कवर चाहिए. ही इज अ लग्जरी प्लेयर. उसको कवर चाहिए ही चाहिए. उसके
Not
लिए
a
तुम
system
आउटपुट
player.
लाओगे.
He's
उसके
not
लिए
a
कवर
system
तुम्हें लाना ही पड़ेगा.
But where do you play him? He is not good on the ball to play as a 10. तुम्हें
No,
उसको थोड़ा
he's,
पीछे.
I don't know what you watch football, boss. Bruno's not good on the ball.
I think
He is not an Odegaard on the ball. Odegaard जैसे ball-
ओडेगार्ड टाइप नहीं है बट
हाँ,
उसकी
he's not
पासिंग
a
एबिलिटी
Odegaard
है.
on the ball.
पासिंग
Different
एबिलिटी है.
kinds of people who are good on the ball, boss. Odegaard is not the only standard.
हाँ
No,
ओडेगार्ड इज
number 10 के लिए to play for a Manchester United,
Listen,
Odegaard is the
he
standard.
loses
लेकिन-
the ball because he's over imaginative with the passing.
पासिंग.
He
Perfect.
doesn't lose the ball.
No, पर
because-
वो कब उसने वो ड्रिबल करके मतलब बॉल रिटेन किया. कब उसने वो ओडेगार्ड जो
Yeah, he does it a lot. He does it
I
a
don't-
lot in every
No.
match.
No, he
Every
lose the
match.
ball.
He
Perfectly
doesn't-
कोई
he's
मतलब
No,
नो
I think
अबे
ball hitting
मतलब
में
यू
Bruno
आर
is a trigger to
टेकिंग आउट ऑफ
bounce.
एवरीथिंग आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट राइट. मतलब हर बार थोड़ी लूज करता है. मतलब उसके कभी कभी नो द प्रॉब्लम इज उसका जो डाउनफॉल है.
All losses are the bad passes.
नंबर 10 अगर
Bad
6
हाँ बैड पासेस जो टर्नओवर्स होते हैं. जो टर्नओवर्स
bad
में
passes.
ही कांट हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट मतलब
There
हर
are,
वो
there
भी
are times he blows your head away. He'll be just beyond the halfway line.
हाँ
He's got runners moving. He'll find that goddamn defender.
हाँ वो तो है.
दिमाग खराब कर देता है यार. He
Yeah.
really gets to you.
नहीं मेरा जस्ट निखिल वो छोटा सा पॉइंट ऑन द बॉल ये था कि आप जैसे टीम्स देखोगे ना आपके अराउंड वो क्या बोलते हैं लिवरपूल हटा दो क्योंकि सोवर्सलाई वाला चीज अलग है. लेकिन जो सिटी में नंबर 10 खेलता है फोर्डन, ही रिटेन्स द बॉल. चेल्सी में खेलता है पाल्मर, ही रिटेन्स द बॉल. इसमें आर्सेनल में खेलता है कौन? ओडेगार्ड, ही रिटेन्स द बॉल. टॉटनहम में खेलता है मैडिसन, ही रिटेन्स द बॉल.
नहीं बट
मतलब चारों-
मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का सिस्टम
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं है
लेकिन
ना.
मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड कि नंबर 10 खेलने के लिए जो क्वालिटी
नहीं,
होना चाहिए ना वो
नहीं
as long as
देख ना
he
तू
keeps
कहाँ
his
से तेरे को
passes
गेम
short,
क्रिएशन आ रहा है वो
as
है
long as
उसके
he
वजह से.
keeps it short and he's playing around that box, he's fine. It's when the Hollywood ghost gets into it, which happens too often. That's
Exactly. You're absolutely right.
It's a lack of discipline with him. But क्या करें? और उसको शुरू से since he's come to United उसको यही बोला गया है कि तेरा काम है
Yeah.
क्रिएट करना. तो उसने कार्टे ब्लांच लिया हुआ. Nobody's belling the cat in that sense. But I can also tell you this, boss. When he's not on the pitch, we're worse.
There was
It's
it was
the
also
possibility.
surprise substitution. आपने बोला था ब्राइटन में वो he was playing decent right, but you saw the substitution. Bruno got substituted. Bruno मतलब
सब
मैं भी
ये
shocked था actually.
हाँ, मतलब
यार ये
everyone-
मतलब Bruno अच्छा खेल रहा है यार उसको कैसे substitute कर दिया?
I'm not trying to drive at. I don't
कुछ
know.
ego trip था क्या ये कुछ?
Ten Hag he's done all right. and then he does these brain fades that just blow my mind
No,
away.
maybe that is what, right, on the pitch क्या हो रहा है कि
Not-
maybe Bruno को वो कुछ
taking
समझा रहा है,
Bruno-
शायद Bruno कर नहीं रहा है.
Taking
मेरे
Bruno off on that in that game, Bruno created the assist for the phantom goal, for the goal that you had scored.
हाँ, मतलब मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि क्यों सब्स्टिट्यूट करेगा
And-
उसको.
and that
I mean,
goal,
मेरे को
that
वो
goal
समझ
when
में
I
नहीं
say
आया.
he created the assist, just look at the run he makes. Okay, he makes a very intelligent run, and Ahmad also so smart cutting in, and Bruno goes beyond him on the right. Very intelligent run and a perfectly weighted ball, perfectly weighted pass. It would have been a banger of a goal, by the way. But
हाँ,
neither
वही
is
exactly.
me.
I mean, I
Neither
thought
is
he was
me,
playing
right?
decent. अब जो ब्राइटन वाला बोला था, मैं भी वही सोच रहा हूँ.
मैं तो
But then he
उसके
got
आगे जा रहा हूँ
substituted
यार.
and I was like, अभी ये
मैंने
क्या हो रहा है?
5
मैं
मिनट
समझा नहीं.
फुटबॉल नहीं देखा यूनाइटेड का अंडर टेन हाग when Bruno is not on the pitch that we look better than when he is on. I have not seen it, so I don't know what Ten Hag was thinking. And look at the substitutions; they went attacking substitutions. You take off your one creative passer from your 10 and put in a guy who's, again, by the way, McTominay nearly scored again, and there was a handball in that Brighton box as well. That was not even looked. It may have been his closer hand, but it was off his
नहीं,
body
वो तो
line.
फिर हाँ, वो मतलब वो हैंडबॉल
वो
का
off his
उन्होंने
body
अभी
line
वो कर
पे
दिया.
was-
एक्चुअली हैंडबॉल का उन्होंने रूल चेंज कर दिया है.
इस
हैंडबॉल
सीजन
का
वो
रूल
क्लैम्प
चेंज कर
डाउन
दिया.
कर दिया
Be that
उन्होंने
as it
थोड़ा
may,
सा.
I'm not even asking for a handball. All I'm saying is, so Ten Hag is thinking, boss, it did happen. That moment I wanted to create, I did create that moment with McTominay.
हाँ, वही वही. I mean, you I mean,
These are the margins.
मतलब आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट लेगा तो इट्स ऑल बैड, राइट? बट
हाँ.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट में रखना चाहिए. मतलब
No,
ब्रूनो
but-
कॉन्टेक्स्ट में अच्छा प्लेयर है.
No, but as a percentage thing, Bruno should have been on the pitch that day. He should not have been off.
मैं भी सरप्राइज था. मैंने इसको टेक्स्ट किया था, भाई पाल ये क्या हो रहा है? ब्रूनो तो भाई पूरे मैच में, ये मैच में तो अच्छा खेल रहा था, इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. ब्रूनो भी हंसते हुए जा रहा था, तो मेरे को लगा कुछ ईगो ट्रिप है क्या, कुछ
और
ऐसा हो
जो-
सकता
And
है.
he took Ahmad off as well, right? So now who's going to hold the ball for you, boss? Same
अमाद
problem.
को तो निखिल, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है उसको इतनी जल्दी रहती है ना कि अमाद को मैं कब इस
Yeah,
पिच
right.
से निकालूं.
He trusts
कब मैं
Ahmad.
गर्नाचो को लेके आऊं और अमाद को निकाल
यार
दूं.
लुइस डंक थक गया था, ठीक है, सब
हमारे
पूरा
इसमें
उनका
भी
बैकलाइन
massive
पूरा का
player
पूरा
है.
थक गया.
So what he's worried about with Ahmad, and you can imagine this is almost like a fear for a United manager. What he's possibly fearing is this kid can't get injured.
I mean,
इसको नहीं हो सकती इंजरी किसी हाल में.
हाँ,
इसको
हाँ.
हो गई तो I'm screwed.
बट यार अभी बहुत बहुत अच्छा फ्यूचर है यार अमाद का. आई मीन बहुत डायरेक्ट फील्डर है.
Not
आई मीन
starting
उसका
him
पता है,
against
उसका
Liverpool.
स्पिरिट भी लॉस नहीं है. मतलब कुछ कुछ जो अभी
Not
आजकल के जो
starting him
बच्चे होते हैं ना,
against Liverpool मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है यार. How can you not start him against Liverpool?
या आई मीन आजकल के जो बच्चे को यही प्रॉब्लम है कि एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस कर देते हैं. मतलब आजकल क्योंकि बहुत
Oh,
आई
he's a
मीन
superb
जनरेशन
player.
हैव चेंज्ड.
He's got the attitude, yeah.
But
He's
he
got the
has attitude to go, keep on going, proving them. I think मेरे को जो
Because
ब्राइटन
he's
वाला
got
उसको
skill set, yeah. Even
ब्राइटन वाले
Garnacho
मैच में
है.
उसने
Garnacho
बहुत
का
अच्छा
all
पास
the-
दिया था. उसका नाम क्या
all the
है?
criticism
डालोना.
of Garnacho, he's also got the attitude of keeping on going.
Keeping
It
on,
doesn't
yeah.
always work for him, but he keeps going.
Yeah.
But Ahmad has skill. He's got
Yeah.
high level skill.
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं समझ आता what Ten Hag's decision making is at times. Here's the problem. Again, what I'm trying to point out is he can also see the solutions. It's right there.
Yeah.
Right? It's just a question of, can you just please go do this? It's not that the solutions don't exist.
Yeah.
Right? Because it is structural,
Yeah.
but at least there is a structure, clean, clear, modern structure. You can change elements of it. आपने कोई बहुत ज़्यादा change तो करना नहीं है. And elements of it in terms of 5-yard positioning here and there, and you suddenly have a different build-up phase. You have a
Yeah.
different phase altogether.
Yeah.
You can suddenly change that. If you get your phase 1 correct with enough players in phase 1, I understand you're going too slow into phase 2 and phase 3. I get it. Right?
Yeah.
No problem. We can live with that. That's something you can work on through the season. No problem at all. But if you get phase 1 wrong, boss, you're not going to have a job. End of story.
So I think then it's pretty much season है कि then ये आप मतलब positively मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि we will see a game plan of Manchester United at least this season, क्योंकि हमारा identity कुछ पता नहीं है.
Or not. Whether Ten Hag exists is part of the picture or not, you're going to see game model.
Because they were
Okay.
So when Ten Hag goes away, also you're not suddenly. See, United is crazy things like forget Moyes, right? Moyes is just a wrong choice. Like forget Moyes. But from Moyes, you go to a LVG who was this kind of game model, right?
Yeah.
He's the classic sort of total football, and from that you go to Mourinho.
But भाई डी मरिया ने
There's
तो
no-
पूरा
there's
लुई
no
वैन गाल को तो
continuity.
छोड़ दिया है.
Ah, yeah. There's no continuity, यार. So आपका स्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं बन पाया ना गेम मॉडल का. तो गेम मॉडल में अब कंटिन्यूटी तो आएगी whether Ten Hag stays or not.
Yeah. So निखिल, फाइनल पॉइंट ऑफ द सीजन कि आप टॉप 4 अभी भी आपका 3 मैचेस देख लिए आपने, तो आपका टॉप 4 क्या रहता है अभी टाइम?
City. So I'm going to go just these 3 games. So this is entirely impulsive and will probably be completely wrong at the end. But just based on these 3 games, I'm going to go City. It is either Arsenal, Liverpool. That's going to be very, very tight second, third.
Oh,
Very,
कल
very
जब
tight.
डिस्कस कर रहे थे.
Right? And fourth, as of now, for me, is Chelsea.
Yeah, so your points on Chelsea, if you want to speak some, the time नहीं है, but still you want to speak something on Chelsea.
I think Maresca made a big mistake in the City game by starting Palmer on the wing. He should have played
Yeah,
him in the
exactly.
middle.
Yeah.
And you know, you're not obligated to play Nkunku. Yeah? If he doesn't fit, he doesn't fit. Tough luck. आपका अभी the Chelsea problem, as I see it, is one: how do you keep squad morale with all these players, 20 odd players who are not even on the training pitch, and with this boardroom kerfuffle?
Yeah, new thing if you have heard.
Right. So if all of this rubbish, so this is the problem. This is where it could all implode for them.
Yeah.
But they're a better team than last season, and it was always going to be. Even towards the end of last season, they were a decent team. They got it together. In fact, we were all surprised when Pochettino was fired because it looked like for the last 8-9 games
Yeah.
he got it together. He sorted it out.
Yeah. But do you think that कि जो ओनरशिप में जो ब्रॉल हो रहा है अभी करंटली वन इज टॉड बोली साइड है एक बाली साइड है, तो आपको मैं स्ट्रक्चर बता देता हूँ कि चेल्सी इज ओन्ड बाय 60% बाय क्लियर लेक कैपिटल, वो प्राइवेट इक्विटी फर्म है और उसका हेड है इकबाली, और टॉड बोली के साथ एक दो स्विट्जरलैंड के जो बिलियनियर्स हैं उनका 40% है, टॉड बोली का अराउंड 12-13-14% है, तो दे आर फाइटिंग कि हु गेट्स द कंट्रोलिंग राइट्स बेसिकली 51% जो होना चाहिए, तो इसकी वजह से यू सी कि इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है चेल्सी के अगेन, बिकॉज मेरे हिसाब से तो एक रिपोर्ट आ रही थी कि बोली वांटेड टू कीप पॉच और इकबाली वांटेड टू गेट रिड ऑफ अ पॉच, अभी ये न्यूज़ आई है, तो मैं तो पक्का इकबाली की साइड हूँ।
This is really an interesting. It's actually a legal kind of question, okay? Because
Yeah, if you can explain.
It's about corporate structure. होता क्या है कि corporate structure में एक decision making power clean होती है. तो आपको मैं United का example देता हूँ. Although Ineos is the minority shareholder, there is a clear agreement between Ineos and the Glazers that the footballing side is entirely belonging to Ineos, right? So there is no doubt as to who the decision makers are, for which reason they are able to put all that team in place. कोई problem ही नहीं है. But I think Chelsea में ये problem आ सकती है, because right now Boli has been the decision maker, and in this sort of battle, Clear Lake may well decide कि it's time to clip your wings properly. Right? Then you can have two voices speaking to the manager. That's when problems happen.
Yeah, and
Right? Because the manager then suddenly isn't clear on expectations. Who knows? Yeah, somewhere along the line, these guys say, "Oh, मेरा favorite player वो है, तो उसको खिलाना शुरू कर." Problem होती है ना यार. So you don't know. That's the bit that sort of gets complicated. So it's basically structurally. Today you may have clarity. It's an insanity of clarity because Boli is insane in my view, and the way he's going about this is insane. But there is clarity. Boli is in charge.
actually एक और
no
चीज है
बोली इज नॉट इन चार्ज, जो डिसीजन मेकिंग है वो इकबाली ले रहा है अभी करंटली सारे डिसीजंस
to the purchases of players, etc. This hasn't that been Boli?
yeah, he's the face. At least he's been the face.
निखिल आई एक्सप्लेन यू कि वो स्टार्टिंग में कर रहा था जब वो फर्स्ट सीजन आया था ना, फर्स्ट सीजन तो
So
उसका
why is
कोई
he
स्ट्रक्चर
still
नहीं
the
था।
face?
No, at least he's been the
No,
face, right? Face of all these things.
वो एक साल पहले तक था। नाउ आप यू हैव सीन कि क्लिपिंग इट विंग्स जो आपने बोला पिछले एक साल से दे हैव क्लिप्ड हिज विंग्स, वो ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर रहा है पिछले एक साल में बोली कहीं भी फ्रंट फेस पे है ही नहीं।
Then you won't have a
इकबाली
problem.
अगेन,
Then I don't think you will have a problem because then what
it's
you're
all
telling
Iqbali.
me, then what you're telling me is the majority shareholder is pulling the strings, right?
Yeah, because
If that is the case, then there is no problem. There is no fear because the majority shareholder will always have more power within it.
Yeah, one example, small example of this is कि Boli wanted to bring Ronaldo, if you remember at that time. तो Boli wanted to make a team of stars. पर इकबाली का जो प्राइवेट इक्विटी के डिस्ट्रेड एसेट्स को लेके उनको ग्रो करके बेच दो, जो चेल्सी का भी स्ट्रेटेजी है। तो इकबाली इज द क्लियर विनर,
One way Iqbali
क्लियर
could play it-
स्ट्रेटेजी फ्रॉम
one way Iqbali
सेकंड
could-
ट्रांसफर सीजन,
One
सेकंड
way
ट्रांसफर
Iqbali
विंडो।
would play it is to go get, a sporting director or whatever the hell you want to call them.
We already have two.
Yeah, but you invest them with more power. You just say Boli is not a decision maker. He's nowhere in this picture. I don't know why he's still the face of all of this. Why is he making all the announcements?
He is not from last 1 year. That's the point I'm saying.
So if that's the case, then there should be no problem. Then
Yeah.
Boli can crib and cry all he wants. Boli probably wants that back, so he's trying to find a way to get
Yes.
that extra
Yeah.
11%.
But
for
ये
him.
है ना,
Boli
जैसे
is
अभी
unhappy.
the
Boli is
problem is
unhappy.
कि
Clear Lake is not.
प्रेस चुप नहीं रहेगी। एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम यहीं से आता है, प्रॉब्लम प्रेस चुप नहीं रहेगी।
Yeah.
जो पिछले ज़माने में जो हमारे जो पहले होता था सोशल मीडिया, जहाँ पे इतना वो नहीं था, राइट? हमारे जो हम लोग जब देखते थे, राइट, एवरीथिंग हैपन टू हैव इन द बैक एंड में सब चल रहा है, हम लोग को बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं पता चलता है। एकदम से पता चलता है कि ये होने वाला है हम लोग को, बस यही न्यूज़ में आता है, ऑफिशियली न्यूज़ में, अभी आर्टिकल्स में। अभी व्हेन सोशल मीडिया पिक्स इट अप, इट्स लाइक पहले से उनको, जैसे अभी रूमर्स आ गया कि पोच पसंद नहीं है, ये पसंद नहीं है, उससे क्या होता है ना, प्लेयर्स से भी वो प्रेशर आएगा, प्लेयर्स से भी पुट करेंगे,
और फैंस डिवाइड होना शुरू हो जाते
अभी
हैं
भाई
फिर
टॉक
then.
स्पोर्ट वाले करते क्या है,
हर तीसरा वीडियो चेल्सी का यही है, चेल्सी
हर-
के बारे में हर तीसरा चौथा वीडियो यही
हाँ,
है।
टॉकस्पोर्ट वाले यही करेंगे, दे रूमर्स को स्पेकुलेट करेंगे, बोलेंगे कोल पामर को स्टार बनाने वाले हैं, अभी फिर एक और बंदा, मतलब जो रेसिज्म वाला केस है एंजो फर्नांडिस पे, दे कैन पुट प्रेशर भाई, बोल सकता है कि एंजो फर्नांडिस को, मतलब कुछ भी हो
they'll
सकता है।
mess around यार, and I'm telling you, जो 20 प्लेयर्स जो बैठे हुए हैं बाहर, उनके
नो नो,
एजेंट्स,
वी हैव सोल्ड एवरीवन नाउ, 5-6 प्लेयर्स है, बेन चिलवेल है बस, अब और कोई नहीं है, बाकी बच्चे इधर अंडर 23 चले गए हैं या फिर
because
दे हैव
my
लोन्ड आउट।
fear with those ones who are being ignored was their agents aren't going to sit around
नो,
either.
वी
Their
हैव
agents
सोल्ड
are going to
एवरीवन,
create
वी
trouble.
मतलब 4-5 प्लेयर्स को छोड़ के, डेट्रो फफाना, बेन चिलवेल, कार्नी चुकुमेका, ये 3-4 प्लेयर्स को छोड़ के वी हैव सोल्ड एवरी, स्टर्लिंग चला गया, यू हैव सीन दैट, और बाकी प्लेयर्स
No,
लोन पे
one
भी चले
second. No,
गए।
why was I? See, I don't follow it too closely.
एंजेलो गैब्रियल सऊदी चला गया।
No, why? Because I was looking at the stat at one time was that
नहीं निखिल, वो
21
बहुत ज्यादा मीडिया एजेंडा है वो स्काई स्पोर्ट का, निखिल
मतलब
सीरियसली।
स्क्वाड, तुम्हारा तो
and
स्क्वाड
they
एटलीस्ट
overplay
40 तो है,
everything.
नहीं
They
अभी
overplay
40 plus है।
25-26 है, 25-26 है जो वो करता है।
25-26 players who will play in the first team, but you guys are playing them in the under 23, मतलब उसको साइन तो फर्स्ट टीम के लिए किया था, उसको साइन करके थोड़ी बोला कि हम
हाँ,
लोग तेरे को अंडर 23
मतलब
के लिए आएंगे,
अभी
मतलब
मतलब
तू उल्टा बोल रहा
मैं
है।
बोल रहा हूँ कि वो एंजो के
निखिल,
साथ वो
देयर
train
आर
नहीं-
प्लेयर्स,
तेरा train
बट
नहीं कर
उन्होंने
रहे वो।
23 में खेलने के लिए बोला है, बस यही है वो, बट उनको साइन के लिए है
पर
कि
वो
फर्स्ट
बच्चे
टीम में
ही
ही
हैं,
खेले।
पर वो बच्चे ही हैं, दे आर 19-20
Yeah, but
ओनली।
they don't
हाँ,
look
but
at
सब
themselves
बच्चे
as
आजकल तो
first-
बुरा
they
ही
look
है।
at themselves as first teamers, boss. This is the problem.
हाँ,
That's why the
फर्स्ट टीम
agents
के लिए ही
will
घुसाए हैं वो लोग, हाँ
jump-
एग्जैक्टली।
That's why the agents will jump in. यार agents की power देखो आज की डेट में यार, मैं जब see I started obsessively watching तो उस टाइम मुश्किल होता था because telecast 97 के करीब शुरू हुआ, but 95-96 I've been following United very obsessively. Right, and that time agents meant nothing, man, nothing.
Yeah.
Fergie, you know, उनको
फर्गी वो सारे कर रहा
वो
था।
ना बकरी तरह निकालता था उनको बाहर यार, कुछ
हैरी
नहीं होता।
रेडनेप फेमस ही इसलिए था ना ट्रांसफर्स के लिए, वो टॉटनहम का जो मैनेजर रहा है।
And so this power first began, and I remember the first time Fergie put his foot down was, this is actually something remarkable about Fergie. He lost both Tevez and Ronaldo in the same summer. People remember Ronaldo, but he lost Tevez as well. That's a heck of a loss in your forward line. But he
And
was
then
like, I'm
Rooney
not
rised.
going to pay that money for Tevez.
Rose.
End of story. I'm not going to pay it. Right? And he still won 3 league titles after that. And he would have won 5 in a row, but for 1 point loss to Chelsea and that
Ancelotti.
tied season with City. So, that is the era after which, because the City regime needed players, they kept paying. Chelsea were paying. And the agents, after a point, that's when the first time you heard all these assholes' names, man. Kia Jorapchi.
Yeah, exactly.
You first heard of them, man.
जॉर्ज मेंडेस।
George Mendes became like George Mendes was running entire clubs.
और एक वो
across the
रोनाल्डो
world.
का
हाँ।
कौन था, रोनाल्डो का एजेंट कौन था जो अब मतलब एक्सपायर हो गया, वन वाज देयर, मीनो रायोला।
Mino Raiola.
या
George Mendes at one time had access to everything in Real Madrid because
Yeah.
all his players were going there.
अभी एक्चुअली रोनाल्डो जॉर्ज मेंडेस पे ही था लास्ट में,
Yeah.
हाँ, वो तो पोर्चुगीज वाला पहले रायोला था ना।
ऑलमोस्ट
तो निखिल, तो
स्टार
Raiola,
पोर्चुगीज।
Raiola, what you're thinking of, Raiola was actually his main guy was Pogba.
या
So Raiola became famous by first orchestrating Pogba's exit from United and then orchestrating his return.
गजब का था यार वो डील, तो मतलब एज ए एजेंट पर्सपेक्टिव देखे ना, आई थिंक ही वॉन
दैट्स
ऑन
व्हाट
एवरी
एजेंट
एस्पेक्ट।
कैन फक यू आल्सो। अब जो ओसिमैन के साथ किया उसके एजेंट ने,
बिल्कुल यार।
दे फक्ड हिम।
क्या कि ये सैलरी तेरे को फिर से नहीं मिलने वाली, तो इसको नहीं छोड़ेगा, तो ठीक है, सऊदी में खेल जाके।
मतलब वो कहीं का नहीं रहा, वो ना इधर का रहा ना वो उधर का रहा।
या
So Nikhil, just so do you think the Chelsea have a squad to finish in the top 4 then?
If there is no unrest, yes, absolutely they have the squad. Absolutely they have the squad, and for me, your most significant signing is a player you already had. That's Romeo Lavia. He's a beautiful player in the middle of the park.
Yeah.
He will bring more stability than either.
बट वो कभी फिट ही नहीं रहेगा वो, मतलब ही इज
मतलब he shouldn't be a Reece। अगर वो Reece बन गया तो मतलब
अभी भी तो इंजर्ड है ना,
बहुत बुरा लगेगा।
इंजर्ड है ना वो।
Why would you imagine he would be?
लाविया इंजर्ड है,
लाविया अभी नहीं, अभी वो वापस आ गया, अभी वो ट्रेनिंग, he started training।
मतलब he got injured, now he started training.
He played the first match City के against, then he got injured और उसके बाद से
मतलब वही होता है, मतलब वो तालमेल बैठता नहीं है वैसे।
नॉर्मल मतलब नॉट मतलब रिकवरिंग इंजरी
नहीं, उससे तालमेल नहीं बैठता ब्रो, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट गेम्स एवरी।
हाँ, वो तो सच है, वो तो सच है। वो लेनी यूरो के साथ जो होने वाला है अभी।
So when you're away for a year, when you play, some injuries will happen.
Yeah.
It'll take a little while for him to stabilize, but he's a gorgeous player.
Yeah. So Nikhil, wonderful episode this has been. मतलब
Yeah,
completely almost 2 hours हो गए, पता भी नहीं चला हमें तो.
Oh man, like, no much talk about football. But I will say this: if Ten Hag gets his head out of his ass,
Yeah.
right, and these are obvious changes, he knows these. It's not as if he doesn't know them. These are obvious, clear changes he can make, and we don't end up with because already we have had 6 injuries. Crazy, right? So if our injury record this season is better, don't discount United for top 4.
Yeah, true. I mean, I predicted them for top 4. तो मेरा यही सोचा था कि they would sort the issue out with the problems with the center backs and such. But मेरे को जब evident नहीं लगा, इसलिए मैं सोच रहा था कि
प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट सेंटर, प्रॉब्लम इज
It's scoring.
आपने खरीदा ही नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे? आपके
मेरा बस ये है कि I don't think कि United अभी भी स्कोर करना उनके लिए at easy है. स्कोर कर scoring goals is a big problem for them. That's all.
Creating chances hasn't been. Look at the XG stats here.
creating chances तो थे हमारे.
Up there on the XG stats.
तो
I mean, Fulham में सबसे ज्यादा था. Fulham ने कितना?
But Chelsea का भी last season निखिल same था कि हमारे पास बहुत chances थे और we were not finishing.
But you also had a lot of games where you scored 4 and 5.
Yeah, you scored a lot of.
Everton, West Ham.
All I'm trying to drive at is United are creating more chances than last season. They're giving away fewer chances than last season. Yes, the game tilt has gone wrong twice, but overall, this is a little better. This is a little bit better. I'm not saying immensely, but a little bit better than last season. It's going in the right direction. He's capable of sabotaging himself because of the kind of decisions we spoke of, right? Not playing Ahmad against Liverpool, removing Fernandes against Brighton. This gap that he created in the Liverpool game, he didn't need to create that gap. He wasn't playing with that gap earlier. He's capable of sabotaging himself, but outside of that, it can be all right.
No. The last time United scored more than 4 goals was in Ole's era.
Must be Ole. Ole के time में बहुत करते थे. We used to do quite a lot.
Yeah.
Dinesh, you go ahead.
So yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for listening. Please keep on watching our videos. ये बहुत मतलब यही टेक्निकल नॉलेज मतलब जो हमारे जो कमेंटेटर्स हम लोग जाते हैं, दे हैव टेक्निकल नॉलेज both from they have played football or they have been watching football for a long time. ये मतलब so that is why we have this depth analysis कि कोई भी interrupted नहीं है, कोई भी out of context है तो हम लोग बोल देते हैं कि context की जा रहा है. So we have not, I mean जो injury है banter aside, we want every player to be playing well and doing good, and we want this competition to be very competitive. इसलिए but apart from the side, रंगा एंड पॉल जो टॉक फुटबॉल पॉडकास्ट है, ये यही ऐसे बॉन्कर्स एंड बॉन्कर्स ऑफ वीडियोस विद बॉन्कर्स एंड न्यू गेस्ट विद देयर ओन ओपिनियंस और इंटरेक्टिव बहुत डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस, वो हम लोग को अप्रिशिएट करेंगे और हम लोग हमेशा लाते रहेंगे. सो प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग अस गाइज, प्लीज़ कीप ऑन शेयरिंग, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर वीडियोस. जो आप कमेंट कीजिए प्लीज़ अपना ओपिनियंस क्या है, क्योंकि निखिल के वीडियो पे पिछले वीडियो पे बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए थे, हम लोग बहुत खुश हुए थे पढ़ने के लिए. सो प्लीज़ keep sharing our videos, liking and also commenting. Pal, tu kya bol raha hai?
And Nikhil, any last words from your side?
Just किसी भी तरह not 5 in a row, yeah. Someone has to step up. When I'm really banking on Arsenal, either that they look like the likeliest, but whoever that, अरे यार, let me put it that bad, I'll take a Liverpool.
Oh fuck.
Everyone is that frustrated. भाई इससे अच्छा ये तो बोल दो कि भाई
It's like Arsenal saying कि Tottenham तुम जीत जाओ.
charge them for this 115 charges and make them boot them to the league.
That's it. That's the one.
Yeah.
Nikhil, you can also help. You can help the lawyers, FA lawyers.
Relegate them.
Queen Council join कर लेना then. So Nikhil, thank you so much. Thank you so much coming onto the channel.
Enjoy
and enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend.
Okay, take care guys.